straight south.
Okay.
Get out of the car! Grab him.
Got it.
Get out of your hands!
Take your hands out of your pockets and... Now put your hands behind your back.
Yeah, this is what happens when you're a victim.
Yeah! Get on your stomach! Get on your stomach! Come on!
Oh, my head. Close him, man.
Sit down!
Sit down. Go to the ground. Go down.
What's going on? I don't know. Why are we out here?
We're trying to catch it.
You're what?
Trying to catch it these things.
Okay.
But we gotta open
Heck, where she's up and talking. Alright, why don't you get out of the car?
Alright.
You been drinking tonight?
No.
No?
No.
Did you use anything tonight?
No.
No? Alright, shut your car off. Now she's up. Now she's up. What's going on?
Nothing.
No? Alright, well, we got a call that you're playing real loud music and I come up to the car and you're passed out.
So what's wrong with that?
Well, that's an issue.
No, it's not.
Okay. Well, you're clearly under the influence. You're clearly under the influence of something. I had a...
How?
What's that?
How?
How? Because I can smell alcohol.
Okay,
Okay,
where is
and-
it?
Well, I don't know.
Right. So,
Okay, so...
I'm clearly
Wait,
doing
stay
what?
right there. Stay right there.
Nothing.
Okay. Do you have ID on you?
Yes, I do.
Okay, let me see it.
When I'm ready, I
Nope.
will.
Give me your ID.
Hey, shut the car off for now, okay?
Here, grab this.
Can you shut the car off?
That was a bad move.
No, it wasn't.
I thought
Let me see your
smarter
ID.
than you did.
What's that?
I thought smarter than you did. You want my ID?
Yeah. You have your ID on you?
Yeah, come get it.
Let me see.
361 Medixton.
Negative. Here, what's up? Okay. Oh, perfect. Alright, why don't you step out of the car?
No.
What's that? Oh, yeah, okay. Perfect. What are you reaching for?
My ID,
Chips?
Right?
Okay, yeah, you have your ID?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what you want, right?
Yep. Oh, your ID is underneath you here.
Yeah.
You're sitting on it. No, you're sitting.
Where I'm at. I'm sitting where I'm sitting. And you're
was just-
waking me up and you're disturbing my peace. So please take your life.
Listen, the reason we were
And
here.
Thank you, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please turn that light off.
Listen, the reason we're here is because you were sitting here playing real loud music.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm allowed to do what I want to do.
Well, no, because you were disturbing the
Can't
peace. So.
How not?
Why don't you put that down? Thank you. All right. Let's show you my body camera's on, okay? Just have to let you know that. Okay. I just have to tell you. That's all. So how much have you had to drink tonight? How much alcohol have you had? Other than these 2 little airplane bottles, because that just fell out of your car when you opened the door, so. It did. When you just opened the door, it just fell out because it wasn't there when I walked up.
It was.
No. Why don't you give me your ID? Give me your ID, please. You're sitting on it.
I know what I'm doing.
Okay, you're just putting your jacket on?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm cold.
Okay, that's fine. I need your ID.
You're demanding too many things.
Well,
Police
you're
officer.
not listening to anything, so.
No, I don't want to listen to anything. You're right. There you go. Put your wallet back on, and I'll put mine back on.
Let me see your ID.
wasted both of me and your time. You just did what I wanted you to do.
Listen, either give me your ID or I'm just going to take you out of the car and place you under arrest for driving while intoxicated, okay? So you can pick one. We'll start with that. Thank you. Where do you live at? Where do you live? No? Okay, what brought you up here?
My ID.
Okay. Why don't you step out of the car and we'll do some field sobriety tests. Come on out of the car. Or I'm not asking you anymore. Just get out of the car.
No, thank you. I have my key.
No.
Yes. Goodbye. You're wrong. Now step out of my way, please.
Get
Thank
out
you.
of your car.
No.
Get out of the car.
No. That's why the law wants me so bad.
Man, we gotta do some tests.
We have...
Yeah, I'm testing you. And test me.
All right, just
So
get out
I'm
of the
testing
car.
you. So
Why,
let's
by
go.
sitting there? Just get out of the car.
Yes, by sitting here. That's right. Thank you.
He's ordering you out of the car, man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Either
and I'm
get out of the
sitting here, I'm
car.
sitting
I'm
here.
going to drag you out of the car, and you're going to go in handcuffs. So you can either come out and cooperate, or I'm just going to pull you out of the
I'm
car.
trying to work with you.
Work with me.
Just get out of the car.
No.
Babe, you have no other option here. You can,
Either get out of the car willfully, or I'm just going to pull you out of the car.
and then you're going to be under arrest. So those are your options.
For what?
Obstruction.
Under arrest
Yeah.
for what?
Obstruction of justice.
For ordering you out.
Where is that?
We're giving you a lawful order to step out
Where
of
is
the
the
vehicle.
obstruction of justice?
You're
Like,
not
getting out
listening.
of the
You're not
vehicle.
listening to us. I'm telling you to get out of the car.
Right.
Okay. So either get out now, or I'm just going to pull you out of the car.
And then you're
That's the
under
wrong
arrest.
move.
and then you're
You're
gonna-
moving the wrong way. And
Okay,
you're
so but
moving
we're
the
asking
wrong
you.
way.
We're asking you.
And you're gonna put the light on the wrong way.
Listen, we're asking you.
Right.
You get out. Okay.
So what? You want me to start
Like
the
an adult.
car?
No, just get out of the car. Just get out of the car,
So
so we
get
can
out
do
of the
some.
vehicle.
So we can do some tests.
No.
Or if you're not going to listen, I'm just going to put you under arrest.
Who's doing tests?
Stop. Put your hand behind your back.
To my right.
Sit up.
Moving up.
Stay right there. Don't move.
We gave you ample opportunity.
Stand up.
Where's shoes?
She didn't have
No?
I should know shoes.
Right.
Were you wearing boots?
No, I was chilling. I wasn't wearing anything. You minded your own business. I minded my own business. I didn't allow you to get in my car and move your fucking flashlight, so don't move your flashlight. You're moving your flashlight. Yo, you're moving your flashlight. Don't too fast. Don't move too fast. I'm relaxed. I'm relaxed. No, you aren't.
Stand right here.
You aren't.
Stand
Yo,
up against your car.
Give me a cigarette. I will. With my
Stop
fucking
moving.
back turned. I will.
moving.
Stand against my car with my back turned. I will stop moving. Go ahead. Officer, try me, test me, play me.
But it's too late for that now.
Yeah, it's too late. You're right. So call who you gotta call.
You're going to jail now, so let's go.
What did I do, officer? Officer.
What's that?
Officer, ow, officer. You're pinching too hard.
I'm
What
just
did I
holding
do?
your... Walk that way.
What did I do?
Walk.
No.
You're under arrest.
No, thank you.
There's no...
No, thank you.
There is no thank you.
Officer, no, it is a yes, thank you. And you're about to learn a lesson.
Get
You're
in the
not
car.
learning.
Get in the
You're
car.
not learning.
Get in the car.
Fucking thing. No,
Get in the car.
not until I have my own keys. Because I drive the car. Right?
Much as I could.
Yep.
Her car key?
Yeah.
It was just one key. I put it on top. They're next to my glasses.
Yeah. On top.
This one.
Give me my keys.
Somewhere.
What do I do? Officer, please, before you detain me.
No, too late.
You're under arrest.
Let me get a cigarette.
Get in the car. Get in the
No,
car.
thank you. Wait. Ow, 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 ow! No, thank you.
Get in the car.
No, thank you. No, thank you.
Will you stop?
No, I won't.
stop?
I won't. Until you fucking detain me properly.
You're under arrest. Just get in the car.
Yeah, why? For what? Oh, you f***ed up, you f***ed up, you f***ed up. Go ahead, speak your truth. Go ahead, speak your truth.
Stay in the car.
Speak to God!
Sit back.
I will. When I'm ready. Give me a cigarette. Yo. Because my fucking hands are right here. Feel them. They're fucking warm. Right. Thank you.
You good?
Yeah. Stupid what? Stupid what? I know what I'm doing. F you. Follow me. Keep doing it. Alright, yeah. Yep, thank you. No, can you let me out here, please? What you guys agreed on? One word. Let me out here. Because you agreed that you were going to let me go.
I didn't agree.
Right here. So let me go. Officer.
130, of course. I'm going to be transporting a female 41.
No, you're not transporting any. My wings are shaking. I'm not going to. No, allow that. Please, officer, please. If you know it's good for the goose, it's good for the gander. So turn to the right. Turn to the right. There you go. Stop right here. Stop. Alright, you're not good for the fucking gander.
for the 41.
Yeah, I got an ID.
Yeah. Papa 4546.
Right, Papa.
165.
He's got all of it.
61976.
666. Come on, 69 with me. Let's go. Drop me off. Why do you want to stop me so bad? Because I was not doing anything. I was not even driving. And you got a license in your pocket? That's mine, right? No, you don't. Because I wasn't driving. Therefore, stop stopping me. Because you're not going to catch me. My God is only going to catch me. My Lord Jesus Christ. I found God, did you? I don't think you did. So yeah, I'm gonna keep my ass turned to you. Cause I'm a pig. I don't fucking look backwards. And I do what I do because I handle my handle. You don't handle yours. You don't trust God. You trust God, then you're gonna allow a lot of things. So why would you want to lock God up? You're trying to slow God down? You're trying to lock God up? Because you don't want to do either of those things. Right.
130.
Yeah, we're here in our right pocket. When I say right, you go left. I'm not feeling too well. And you just fucking took me out of my own destruction. Right. My path. Not yours. My path. I'm ready. Ready?
Yep, we're ready. Let's go.
Back up.
All right. Come on.
No, back up a little more.
All right, there you go. Ready? Now you gotta come out.
Back up a little
No,
more.
come on.
No. It's not on your terms, my terms.
Actually, you're wrong.
No.
You're wrong. Okay,
Oh,
get
I'm
out.
wrong?
Get out. Get out. Get out.
Code 10-9.
I didn't mean to stick in the car. That's against the law, officer. I will sit where I want to sit. I will stand where I want to stand. So what? My back is against the wall. What do you need? What else? To smack my head? Huh?
We don't want to do that.
But you don't want to do that. That's right. You're right. So let's fucking think clearly. Yeah, think. Sit here. I got time. I got more time in the world than you think.
Okay. Me too.
Right, because I'm an alcoholic, right? And all I do is drink. But I ain't gonna fucking butter my fucking wings for you.
No.
Right, I don't.
Alright.
And I won't.
Okay.
So watch.
Alright. Very good. Now we got that under control. There you go.
You something that you can call and come pick you up?
Yeah.
Was it your phone number?
What?
You have a phone number?
What was the question?
Do you have someone that can come pick you up?
Yes.
Okay. Are they local or are they from down south?
They're from a far distance.
Okay.
They're coming to pick me up.
Okay. All right, good. That's what we want.
Okay. Right, why do you want me to get picked up? Right. And then you guys stood in my way the first time. So come correctly or don't come at all.
What's that? Down does it.
All I got is time, babe.
Yeah.
Listen, you got married, not me. So let's go. Try again. My feet are fucking
Certainly not surprised about that, right?
Huh?
Not surprised about that.
Right. You guys stopped me. So let's go. Try one more time. What the fuck am I stopped for? Broken wings are mine. Let me go. Well, I'll sit pretty. Right here. My hands hurting my body. Because I'm sitting pretty the wrong way. I'm sitting pretty like this.
Okay.
And you watching me. You're the one in my custody.
Hmm?
And you watching me, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, therefore, let's make the right moves, right? Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, why are you doing this right now?
This is protocol. This is what we gotta
Officer,
do.
Can you please take these handcuffs off of me?
I can't do that right now, okay?
I'm gonna help you if you take these handcuffs off of me.
I'm gonna see what I can do, okay? Can't do that right now.
That's fine.
Alright, I'm gonna pull this back up. Put your zipper back up.
Thank you.
So you can be a human being, okay?
I am a human being. I'm here on
Oh, you got a hole in this pocket.
Yes. I got a few holes.
You have nothing on. Alright, let me see. Alright, let me see your other foot. Alright, you want me to zip up your jacket back up?
Yeah. Thank you, officer.
It's too warm in here,
Officer.
okay?
Yes, Jay. What is your Jay?
Can't tell you, it's a secret.
Okay, so I know.
Yes.
I see the V.
Okay.
Okay.
She has nothing on her.
shoes on? Are you okay?
Well, are you gonna give me shoes to put on?
Yeah, sure, if you want.
No.
No? Okay. And then let's start
I'm
with...
okay.
Do you want to work on somebody to come pick you up?
No.
Especially if they're coming far away?
Why?
So you could leave.
I have my key in my car. I know exactly where it is. You don't know where it is. That's your issue. So let's start with my problem. You're gonna let me go, and we're gonna start with you giving the keys to the back of my hands because you don't need to arrest me. I'm not an angry person. I don't move in anger. No, you don't see nothing.
Alright, just so you know my camera's on, okay? I'm sorry? Just so you know my camera's on. I just have to let you know. That's your license. So you're picking up Devin?
Yes.
Perfect. Just need you to sign. Give me a pen. Here you go. So if you want to read this, you can. She's saying she's been arrested for a DWI. She can't operate a vehicle for at least 12 hours. Okay? If you want to read that, you certainly can. And then right there.
Sadly, my brother went through all of this. Is it right here?
Yes, please. Thank you. All right. So that I will bring her out in just a moment. You gonna answer the question or no?
No, I'm fine.
You're fine? Okay. Very good. So you're not hurt, you're fine. You're released, your court date's on your tickets and the complaint. If you have any questions, just call the court on Monday morning. Okay? Alright, thank you.
Majority of the time I spent upstairs working in the modules. I decided to come downstairs and work in booking for a faster pace, and it is definitely a faster paced area. People just getting arrested can be drunk, angry, upset, so you have to constantly be on your toes. Just stand right here. Yeah, probably some clothes over here if you can get me some. What's the outfit?
You should have seen the party that I was at.
What did you get arrested for?
For having my sister's identifications on me. That's what I got arrested for.
Put the shirt on.
I'm trying to go home already. I have to change into this nonsense and deal with this for no reason.
Well, if you want to stay just like that while you're in here, that's fine with me.
If I can, that
Oh,
would be
there you go. Perfect.
I don't want to wear this stuff. I'm already dirty, you know.
Why do you feel dirty?
Because I've been sitting around in that room for like 5 hours for no reason. I'm sorry, I'm just in a lot of pain.
Where do you have pain?
Everywhere. I'm a dancer. The whole reason I'm in jail is because my sister.
Go the whole way down there to the end and sit in that last chair. So what's her deal?
She went out to a club and it provided a resident alien card. The birth date on it said 91. Well, she took a pin and just turned that 9 to an 8 real quick to try and get inside the club. She's being booked for providing false information to a police officer, which the story behind that is everything that she's telling us comes back to the ID that she's providing, right down to the tattoos on her back.
Oh, so the
on her
picture looks
wrist,
just like
and
her, but she's
everything.
saying it's her sister.
She's saying that the ID is her sister.
Hey, Renata. Who's that?
What do you mean, who's that? She's a dancer too.
You
She
just
works at Little
answered to the
Darlings.
name.
Huh, No. She works at Little
Oh,
Darlings.
that looks just like you.
I know. It looks like me. That doesn't have nothing to do with it.
Was she your twin?
Almost. 5-year difference, except a month's difference. Yeah. 5 years and like a month. Yeah. You guys
Looks like
never
you.
seen sisters that look alike, even identical? That's funny.
Well, then fill this out as Renata, because that's who you are. Sign down there.
All right.
And sign your real name, which is Renata.
And then can I get out of here?
It'll be a while. She was apparently trying to get into a club that she was too young to get in. She's only 19, so she tried to alter the ID, and she's really rolling with this whole, this is my sister's ID and not mine. So we'll see where it goes from there. All right, Well, let me go get the sergeant to sign this, and we'll see how you make it through the rest of the process, okay? Sergeant Crawford. I gave her another try.
This is the blonde out there?
Yeah. Just so you're aware, she refuses to put on any jail clothes, so we may be getting her through this whole process dressed the way she is.
We'll figure something out, because she's not going to come out here like that.
All right.
Officer. Officer. You're an officer, right?
I am an officer. What's
Can
wrong?
I go to the
Are you
restroom?
on something right now?
Yes, I
Are you
want to
on-
blow
are you
my
drunk?
nose.
But there's no tissue in there.
I went there and there's no
Okay,
tissue.
go ahead. Go ahead. Go in
Thank
there.
you so
Go.
much.
Go
Yeah,
ahead
you're
in
so
there.
nice.
Go ahead in there. Knock on the door. Make sure there's nobody in there. You don't want to knock? You just gonna walk in on somebody?
Nobody's there. Can I go in?
Go.
Yes, thank you. Wow.
Did you guys come in with him?
No. I just met him right now.
You just met him right now.
Yeah. My first time in Vegas.
You're in here?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I
Sit
feel
down.
relief.
Sit down and quit yelling out at me.
I'm not yelling. I'm just talking to you.
What'd you get arrested for?
You know what? Me and him, we were sitting outside of a casino, just had a drink.
Disrespectful.
You're disrespectful. Is that what your charges are?
You know what? It should be.
You didn't get your charges told to you before you
No.
got arrested? You just
No.
got in the car without?
Hey,
They know what their charges
no, I don't know.
It's my birthday yesterday.
Is that why you came?
I turned
for your
21
birthday?
That's why
yesterday.
he's here at 21.
So give me a wild guess as to what your charges are.
We were drunk, and we were drunk in public. I would say yes.
Was he with you?
No, I don't know this guy. Yeah, I mean, we were supposed to leave today. That was the whole goal.
Well, doesn't look like you're going to be going home today. What did you get arrested for?
We're
I
not.
don't know. I just bump it. I bump it in a guy's. Like nothing happened to this truck. Nothing.
Man, can we move away?
You know what? You're extremely needy. Extremely needy. And you two are like Bip and Bop.
No, I've
Yeah.
been here
I don't
before.
want any trouble.
Man, I've been here before.
How about, let's see if the three of you, for 10 minutes, can be totally quiet.
Can I ask
None of
you-
you say, shh.
Can I
No,
ask-
shh.
Okay.
They got arrested for disorderly conduct. Two people approached us saying there's two drunk guys next to the revolving door. We casually walk up, they start running. So we go talk to them. The suspect we try to take him into custody, and then his partner, and then attacks my partner for taking him into custody. Nothing like staying in Vegas.
I'm not talking to you, stupid. Just shut up.
Wingerding.
Oh,
Wow.
just-
You guys aren't doing it. How hard is it to stay quiet for,
Man,
Him. He would antagonize.
I'm sitting here.
who? He's antagonizing?
Yeah.
No.
Asian.
Me?
Well,
I'm
leave
not
me alone.
Asian. I'm Brazilian.
Whatever, dude. Just leave me
Oh,
alone.
stupid.
Please.
If you're quiet,
I know, but
this will all stop.
I know. But you know what? Thank you. Okay, look, hey, problem solved, man. Problem solved.
No, he's just going to get his fingerprints done. He's coming right back.
No. Why would you do that?
You're in jail. I'm not here to make you happy or accommodate you.
Okay. Got it. As long as it's gone for now, it's fine.
If they can't follow directions and keep arguing amongst themselves, one of them will eventually end up in a side cell.
It'll be fun tomorrow. You'll be alright.
All right, Miss Renata, we'll try and get you out of here. Sit in the front row. Don't get up unless you hear your name called, or you raise your hand and get permission. All right? Get permission from the officer that's out here. Go sit down. She could have been out of here a long time ago. Nope, front row, front 2 rows. But she didn't want to cooperate, and she went on with her lie. So hopefully this experience taught her lesson, and she doesn't do that again.
I've been with the department for about 8 years. Prior to this, I worked retail. I was in the grocery business for 9.5 years. One of the good things about working here versus retail is, the customer's not always right. I'm mentally strong enough to handle, the inmates. To work in a place like this, you gotta have thick skin, you gotta be able to talk to people. You gotta be clear and precise of what you want them to do. You gotta have patience. Just received a call from control that one of our sergeants is rolling in with one that's possibly combative. I'm gonna meet him at the Sally Port and see what we got.
Sanders also advised if you need additional.
Devor.
What's going
West Side. The West Side slum.
What's this guy's story, Sarge?
Just belligerent, drunk, out of control.
That's it, just alcohol?
Yeah, all that creepy stuff.
Yeah.
Just I got
hella.
All right, let's do it. You been there before?
Hell yeah.
You know how it goes then, right?
Yeah.
Come over here. Shake him down. You want to hold your stuff?
Here, lean your head against the wall.
How much you had to drink tonight, man?
Blue. Hell yeah. She's cool.
Okay. Turn around. Turn around. Sit down. Sit down. Kick your shoes off. Get up. Right now, you're under the influence, just being drunk. You're going to get out of here in a reasonable amount of time. But if you continue to be disrespectful, you're going to stay here. You understand?
Yeah. West Side. Coming from the nuts.
Go along with the program. You'll get out of here in a reasonable amount of time.
West Side. What? It's the. Yeah. What's up?
Now, from this point on, you do everything I tell you to do. You understand? You do anything different than what I tell you to do, I'm going to take that as an act of aggression, and I'm going to have to react. You understand that?
Yeah.
Step into the cell. Go down to your knees. Go down to your knees. Go down to your knees. Told you got to follow directions from here on out. Didn't I tell you that? When I take this cuff off, put it underneath your stomach. You understand? What are you going to do?
What's up?
You're going to put it underneath your stomach, right?
Yep.
Underneath your stomach. Don't move. Go. Now you can move. So, what exactly did he do?
A lady called up and said that he was out staggering around in front of her house. And then when we showed up, he was down at the park, basically just acting like he is now.
Mm-hmm.
And then he tried to run, but
Tried to
he
run
was just
from
kind
you?
of staggering.
So he didn't get far.
Yeah, no, he fell to the ground. And then we just detained him.
Okay. So he's just going to be here for
He's just
public
been-
intoxication? And...
Yeah, that's it. He wasn't wanted for anything else, so.
All right, sweet. All right, we'll hang on to him for about 5 or 6 hours and see what happens.
All right.
Nut. West Side slum. Yeah, coming through. It's the nut.
So with the paint, man.
Well, you should never go out with your makeup.
Your charges are 243.4, sexual battery and resisting arrest. You understand that?
Oh, I understand what kind of charges these are.
Due to the nature of your charge,
I did not do that.
due to the nature of your charge, while you're here in our custody, you're going to be protective custody. You understand
Yeah, I'll
that?
be cut up by inmates every chance I get that.
No, that's not the case. You'll be special
Sure is.
housing.
I know if the inmates don't get me, the guards will get me. That's just how these places work.
You watch too much TV. That was Oz. That show went off a long time
I
ago.
have family that's been in federal
You do drugs?
As much as I can get.
Anything in particular?
Marijuana, alcohol.
You gonna have any problems withdrawing from drugs or alcohol while you're here?
Hope not.
What's your sexual preference? Females, males, or bisexual?
Neither.
You don't like women or men?
Nah.
You like both?
I don't like either.
All right. Well, no. Why'd you get a sexual battery charge if you don't like either?
Well, that's because someone that got jealous I was talking to his girl and like flirting with her called the police department, and I knew I had warrants for me, so I was like, you know, this, I ain't sticking around letting this cop talk to me. Boom.
So you never done state time or YA time, right?
I was ward of the state for 7 years.
All right.
Hey, here I am again, guys. You guys need help? Oh my god, man.
All the way down. Last door on the left side. Right there. Walk in.
Like war paint. That's G.I. Joe.
So this guy's here for sexual battery. I guess he picked up a minor, put her over his shoulders, put her on the ground and groped her a little bit. You know, for the charges that this guy has, man, he really does have an attitude. I mean, like he's done nothing wrong. You know, that might be the case, but until then, you know, we're going to keep him here. He's going to go to court, and we'll let the judge decide if he's guilty or not.
If I let go of you, don't fall down.
There's no needles, no nada.
Nada?
But let me tell you something. I got a
You been in the hospital in the last 24 hours?
Yes.
Where were you at?
I was in the hospital.
You were in the hospital for what?
For first day off.
For what? I'm gonna take your toque. There we go.
God.
Oh, it's much better. Been drinking?
Yeah.
Yeah? A lot?
Like we're in public, FTA.
You're very drunk.
He was trying to, people were trying to have church service, and he came in and disturbed the whole thing.
In the church?
Yeah.
You know what? They're pretty nice with me, you know.
Well, you're in a church. They're gonna be nice. Steady there, partner.
It's all right.
I need you to, you know what? I'm gonna do it for you. Lift your foot up. I'm gonna take your shoes off because I don't want you to fall over. All right, stand up there, partner.
I got a feeling somebody's watching me.
You got the right feeling there.
I got that feeling.
You do.
Somebody's watching me.
Here he goes.
And I have no privacy. Oh my God.
All right, what's his name? Francisco.
No education.
No te mueve. Here, let me help you out. Look at me.
Deja que
Está muy bien, muy bien.
Dream on.
There you
Dream
go.
on.
Are you dreaming right now, Francisco? Do you know where you're at?
Yeah.
Where are you?
I'm in Boise, Idaho, right?
You're where?
Boise, Idaho.
Boise, Idaho.
Mm-hmm.
It's close. How about Portland, Oregon?
Ah.
You know where? You know what this building is?
No.
You're in jail.
I'm in jail?
Yeah, de la cárcel.
His bail's 1, 2, 3, 4, so obviously they want.
No, yeah, they want to talk to you about something. Wipe your hand off there. All done? Okay, let's walk over there and see if we can make it without falling down. Right over here, partner. Oh, steady.
I'm all right.
Why don't you sit right there? Siéntate aquí.
Tengo hambre. I'm hungry.
You're hungry. There you go. You've lightened my evening tonight, Francisco. Leave your hands on the counter.
And they're gonna me up.
Okay. He's gonna search you like he searches everybody that comes in here,
Pull up my
okay?
shirt. That, hey man, you
Lift your foot up and bend at your knee.
Foot.
Lift your foot and bend at your knee.
I'm trying to, but he got his knee on my.
Lift your foot up and bend at the knee.
I ain't no horse.
Spread your feet.
That was assault right there.
No, that's
Now-
my deputy
now my-
doing his job. Leave your hand right there. Leave your hand right there.
Quit pulling away.
Don't pull away from him.
I'm not. What's your name? Day?
Yeah.
Why are you pulling my underwear up like that?
I ain't touching your underwear.
Why is he pulling my underwear up like that? What's his name?
Don't pull away from me.
I
You're
ain't
gonna
pulling-
lose.
What's
all
your
right?
name too?
Sergeant Gordon. What's your
Is
name?
there any other cops here?
What's your name?
Jason.
Jason. Okay, Jason, my deputies are doing their job. They're
Cool.
searching you for weapons or
This ain't the
contraband.
Midwest, is it?
No, this is Multnomah County,
Then quit
and this is
treating
the
me
way
like
we
this is
do
the
it.
Midwest.
Okay? You have one choice in here, and that's to do what you're told, and that's it. That's the only right you have in here is to do exactly what you're told. Okay? You do what you're told, and you're going to get along with everybody just fine. Okay? If you don't,
I'm trying to listen, but what are you guys doing?
okay, when I asked you to raise your leg 3 times, that's not listening. That's
Yeah.
being defiant.
You want me to cry or something?
No,
Then quit
that's
acting
not.
like you want me
that's
to cry.
that's not my point.
Can you pull down my boxers?
Excuse me?
Can you have him pull down my
No,
boxers?
no, you look like you're just fine to me.
Then why are you squeezing my wrist?
I'm not squeezing your wrist. I'm
Yes,
holding your
you
hand
are.
on the counter.
You're squeezing my wrist.
All right, let's go over here.
Whoa. I'm telling you, man. If I get
Easy,
hit,
easy, easy, easy.
fine.
There you go. Have a nice night. Tell me again what happened. How'd you come across him, first of all?
We got a call out. There's a place called NARA. It's a Native American rehab facility on Highway 30 in Corn Pass. They treat Native Americans with different addictions. They're having a powwow this weekend, and the staff there had been worried about him because he wasn't taking meds and he wasn't eating. He wasn't taking his meds because he said there was crushed up metal in it. he wasn't eating food because he said the staff had urinated in it. He's bipolar. So realized we needed a mental hold on him, so scooped him up on a warrant. But he's got multiple arrests for discon and assault and that sort of thing. So obviously he doesn't like police. So
All right.
that's
Thank
short
you.
of it. You bet.
All right. Thanks. Jason, what do you have going on tomorrow?
It's a powwow.
It's a powwow?
Yeah.
And that's all day event?
Yeah.
Okay, what time does it start?
I don't know. Do you got anybody that talked about my ribs by any chance?
Sure, we got a nurse back there.
Because my lungs are shaking right now.
Okay.
I can't make it stop.
Okay. So, and you don't, are you asthmatic? Do you have asthma or anything like
I
that?
think someone poisoned the Kool-Aid.
Poison the Kool-Aid at Nara?
Yeah, where I was saying.
Okay. What made you think that they were poisoning the Kool-Aid just by curiosity?
It happened to me before, and I got beat up in the labor too.
Okay. All right. We'll have them check you out. Okay. And as long as you behave like you're behaving right now, we'll get you through the process and you'll get out of here. Okay. We're not asking you to do anything different than we ask everybody else to do when they come in.
I understand what you guys are saying. You guys are not saying it too fast.
Okay. Well, I'll make sure that we talk a little bit slower.
All right.
Okay. I'll be back to get you in a few minutes. He's had some time to sit and relax a little bit. He's calmed down a little bit, and he's probably going to get released and make the powwow that he's got tomorrow. So hopefully they'll kick him out of here. If not, then he's not going to be happy about staying.
I'm kicking it right here, bro. I'm in a tuxedo. You're in the pig top, homie. Excuse me? You keep talking. Your process will take a lot longer.
Let's do this guy
Whatever.
first.
You make the decision. Whatever, dude. I got freedom of speech over here. All right?
Come over here.
What you gonna do? Beat me up? Beat me up, dude. I'm not gonna beat you up. Of course not. Of course not.
Behind you.
Straight up. You're not gonna
Hey.
beat me up.
Be quiet. Be quiet. Listen.
You guys don't scare me, man. I did 3 years. You think you're gonna scare me?
Okay. Spread your
I'm in a
feet.
tuxedo. You're in a pig uniform.
Okay, don't be scared.
Who said I was gonna be scared?
Because loud people like you, that's because
Loud
they're
people.
scared.
It's because your homie's trying to make me scared. I'm not scared, all right? I did 1,088 days. Good for you.
Because they're scared.
He needs to do a blood draw, so we'll put him in the street.
Perfect.
Let's go.
Face that way.
Do I look like a criminal to you? Maybe I make more than you, all right? Come on, man. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Come on, we're gonna take you up to PCF. Homie. City. Yeah, Punk City. Gangsta, homie. In a tuxedo, homie. Get my hero.
Listen, you're gonna sit in this chair for a bit, okay? Till you calm down. Then they're gonna take you out. So what are you mad about? The way they arrested you or something, or what? What do you think you're gonna get out of being uncooperative?
Nothing. I'll be out in 12 hours.
You won't be. You won't be, because we can delay your.
Delay it.
Especially the way you're
Delay
acting.
it. It doesn't scare me, okay? I'll do the whole time on my head.
So you think you're big because
No,
you served
guys
time
trying
in
to scare me.
prison?
It doesn't scare me. It doesn't scare
People
me.
that talk like you is because they're really scared.
What should I say?
Leja.
Leja.
Yes.
Señora, I took 6 IMUs of 400 milligrams each. I took that 6 IMUs.
Why?
Oh, my birthday.
It's your birthday? He doesn't know yet that saying he wanted to kill himself is a serious issue with us. He's gonna be put in this room for his own protection. He's gonna get stripped out. Everything's gonna be taken away from him because we do take it seriously. If anything does happen, we want to avoid as much as we can. Can you hand me some chains? Yeah, bring your hands down to your side. Okay, continue on your process. See what we can do for you, okay? Go ahead and have a seat.
A petty larceny call came out from a cosmetic store. When I arrived there, she had just been walking out of the store. I went up, patted her down, asked if she had anything on her person, and she stated that she had a meth pipe on her. in her front pants pocket. She also had 2 in her bra. And then at that point, I did a full-on search at that point. And that's when I found morphine pills in her right front pocket as well. She didn't have a prescription for them.
What's your first name?
Tiffany.
Tiffany? So, how did you get started using meth?
My ex-husband introduced me to drugs.
Yeah.
And he gave me cocaine, and I did that for like a year.
How often do you use it?
Daily.
Do you have any kids?
I have a 4-year-old.
You have a 4-year-old.
Yep. His dad kidnapped him and took him to Mexico 2 weeks ago.
How do you feel about that? What are you doing? Is this where you want to be?
I'm no good. I'm a drug addict. And my family kicked me out of and then they put my clothes on my dad. What am I going to do? Where am I going to go? I had nowhere.
You've had a lot of bad experiences. Is that what's driven you to this point right now?
I'm just tired. I'm tired. I've been homeless for like almost 10 months. And finally, I got something.
Okay, I'll see you in a bit, okay, as your process goes through. And then we'll see how much your bail is and all that, if you're going to be able to bail out or not, okay? A lot of times people on drugs, it's so hard to get off that. You know, they choose drugs being more important than their own kids, their own family. Hi, Felipe. How you doing?
I'm okay.
You all right?
Yeah.
What's going on? Why were you so upset out there?
A month and a half ago, I got a ticket for failing to yield.
Oh, okay.
Same officer. I got a ticket for that. I got an accident.
The same officer that arrested you tonight?
Same officer that arrested me.
Okay.
And I told him, I remember you. I remember you. He kept on, oh, you're drunk. But the thing is, I actually took 4 IBUs, which dazed me 15 minutes prior to my exit.
Okay.
I go home. Like
You still decided to drive?
I decided to drive.
Okay.
But if you look at my record, I've been in prison, man. I'm gonna let you know. I got a record. You run me up. I haven't had a ticket since then. It's been almost 3 years. He gave me a hassle. His other buddy cop comes up in a big old van. I'm like, oh, you guys taking me to jail. Since then, from then on, I was being not a but I was keeping it real. The other guy was just being a pig. Then on, I was like, whatever, dude. You know what? F you. Whatever.
Listen, I'm gonna go over and see when Psych can come over and talk to you so they could decide get you some clothes and stuff like that, okay? Thank you for being cooperative with me, okay?
I really do appreciate it, okay?
All right. He's got a bit of a prison attitude, one that makes him feel like he's a tough guy. It's just because he's been to prison. And, you know, they talk about it. Sometimes it's because they want it to be known so nobody messes with them because, you know, they are in jail again and they don't know how long it's going to be.
Macy Marie Lathers calls herself an Instagram model, posting seductive photos of herself, seemingly in the hopes of maybe getting jobs at parties and events in the Miami area. But police say her decision to speed through an intersection and slam into another car might put her behind bars for a long time. That is the allegation that she is facing, and we are getting a look at what first responders were dealing with as they responded to this deadly crash at around 6:45 a.m. on August 10th. Body cam video shows the wreckage of 3 cars. Investigators say Lathers was driving around 80 miles an hour in a white Mercedes with her foot on the gas pedal 100% when she allegedly ran a red light and crashed into a black Range Rover. And that collision caused the SUV to smash into a Suzuki. 2 people in that car were killed in this crash, identified by family as Abraham Ismael Molina Cruz and his friend Jesus Rubio. Abraham's partner, Juanita Hernandez, was also in the crash, but she survived. She says they were just on their way to work when this happened. And the driver of the Range Rover also survived this crash. Now, Law&Crime, we have obtained body cam footage from Miami police that shows An officer's arrival at what is truly a chaotic scene, where first responders are working to remove at least one person from the crushed car. And a block away, the officer finds one of his colleagues guarding a woman who is laying on the ground with her hands cuffed behind her back, and that is 24-year-old Macy Lathers. And she appears to moan and seems to roll around in pain and is really unsure of what exactly is going on. Now, witnesses would later tell police that she walked away from the crash, her crashed Mercedes-Benz, that she tried to leave the scene entirely, but they stopped her. And the officers are trying to figure out if Lathers has any injuries, and that's when she reveals that she took a drug known as 2C, or pink cocaine. Now, if you don't know what that is, according to an NYU Medical School report that was published in 2023, this is usually a combination of a lot of different drugs: ketamine, ecstasy, cocaine, meth, opioids, other psychoactives. It's a synthetic drug. Researchers say that its pink color, it's just for looks, so don't be surprised. Take a look at this video.
Ma'am.
Recovery position.
She's what? Hey,
Relax,
hey,
relax,
chill out,
relax.
chill out.
Relax.
Chill out.
Relax.
¿Ustedes vieron lo que pasó?
4510 reference. I need rescue here to check on one of the passengers in the vehicle. Miami and 8 on the southeast, one corner, black shirt, blue jeans.
Just stay like that.
Relax, stay on your left because you're going up.
Stay like that. Look that way.
Ma'am, can you stay over there looking that way?
25
Put that leg straight.
Yeah. No, that's good. She'll be sideways, but. Oye, ma'am.
Relax. Relax.
She's good, right? Vamos a levantarla y llevarla ahí. What the rest you say? I think you were involved in the crash.
She probably won't be able to walk.
Does anything hurt you? Who had heard the thing?
We have real time monitoring. Any real time? Real time monitoring.
Did you get other people from the car?
Yeah, more. The other car, I think one is.
My mom.
What? Ma'am, what car are you driving?
Mercedes.
Is it?
My name
That's
is
a car?
Mercedes.
Calm down.
I'm from the future.
Awesome, amazing.
Oh, Crystal Ball. We can live over.
Are you on drugs? What do you want?
Oh, fly.
4514.
They gave her a shot.
I mean, the female that we have detained, we can advise fire rescue. She just told us now she's on 2C. So, joke. She's gonna be one of the vehicles that got into a collision. She's claiming she's on 2C.
Is this unrelated?
Yeah, no, it's related. They had her detained. She's with the white Mercedes. They got into an accident.
Neck pain? No neck pain?
She walked away from she's trying to leave the scene.
No, she's calm.
Oh, she's calm.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we'll sit her up. We'll get on a sensor. Just try to make sure she's not like a trauma alert.
Perfect.
Okay, now you.
Ma'am.
Relax. Remember I told you to relax? Get up. Get her up. Get her up. She's facing us. Sit down.
Apparently what he did. We're just going to do a quick assessment in the back. And go from there.
She provided what you guys are doing.
I think she's on 2C. So she said right now. She's like, oh, I'm from the future. Okay, hold on, man.
We'll get her there. She's on 2C.
Yeah. Let me just, porque supposedly they crashed and she tried to leave the scene. So.
Alright, then I'm just gonna need an officer to come with us.
Yeah, gotcha. No problem.
Aliens. They're coming. They're coming.
Yeah.
I'll get her legs.
Go. Aliens are coming.
Now, according to the state, Lather's toxicology report found that there was no alcohol in her system, but there was a variety of drugs. Lathers originally faced 8 counts when she first appeared in Miami's bond court, where it was revealed that not only did she not have a driver's license, but apparently she had been banned from having one.
After the crash, there's video surveillance of her exiting the vehicle and walking northbound away from the crash, never rendering aid or calling 911 to assist those who were injured in the crash. Unknown bystanders grabbed the defendant and took her back to the scene of the crash and held her until the police arrived. So basically the cars were all landed in different locations. And when the police arrived, they saw that she was under the influence. I guess police were assisting her. They asked her questions. She advised she was under the influence of 2C, a known party drug, and that she was from the future and had a crystal ball. And she was placed in a recovery position until fire rescue arrived because she was vomiting. And so victim 1 had to be extracted from the vehicle 3 and was transported to the hospital, rider trauma, and in critical condition, and was later pronounced deceased due to his injuries. Victim 2 was removed from vehicle 3 and transported to Jackson with facial and arm lacerations. Victim 3 was pronounced deceased on the scene by the fire rescue. Victim 4 was transported to JMH in stable condition. So there's 2 people that died and 2 that were injured. The vehicle was registered to her, but she doesn't have a Florida's driver's license. And a further search revealed that under her date of birth and name, she has a Florida driver's license, and it was suspended indefinitely January 16th of 2024. So that's what this case is about.
After prosecutors got the data from a vehicle search warrant, they added more charges. And that data showed just how fast Lathers was driving at the time of the crash and that she really didn't let up on the accelerator. The speed limit on that stretch of road is our understanding to be 30 miles an hour, but the car's computer apparently showed that Lathers had been going 57 miles per hour and then sped up to nearly 80 miles per hour before impact. Lathers had been given a $140,000 bond at her bond hearing, which she posted. Her attorney says that she was preparing to leave detention when she was hit with the additional charges. So $26,000 was added to the previous bail amount, plus stricter rules for Lathers' house arrest. And she had been out on bond for a couple of weeks when she was once again back in court. And this time she was put in cuffs and hauled off to jail. And that is because prosecutors added 2 new DUI manslaughter charges for allegedly driving under the influence. And reporters in the courtroom say that Lathers seemed to look surprised that she had to sit with other inmates in court for their hearings. Prosecutors did some rearranging of the charges against Lathers, and she now faces 10 counts. And we double-checked with the Miami-Dade County, and these are the charges that we see. 2 counts of DUI manslaughter for the deaths of Ismael and Rubio, which includes the aggravating factor of failure to render aid. 1 count of DUI causing bodily injury to another. 1 count of reckless driving causing serious injury. 3 counts of driving without a driver's license resulting in injury or death. 2 counts of vehicular homicide caused by failure to stop. 1 count of leaving the scene of an accident involving death. Juanita Hernandez was also in court this past week when Lathers was taken into custody, and she told local outlet NBC6 that it was a horrible feeling seeing her and that she didn't look remorseful. She said the defendant is a danger to society. Lathers has pleaded not guilty to all charges. She's expected back in court again next week for a pretrial detention hearing. Now I want to bring on Florida trial attorney Alexis Rosenberg. Alexis, good to see you. Thanks for coming on. My understanding is you are in Fort Lauderdale, not too far from Miami. Just starting off, when we talk about 2C, when we talk about pink cocaine, Is that prevalent in that area? Is that something that people talk about?
Thank you for having me on, first of all. Well, Miami, the area of Miami, when it comes to the club scene, it does seem to have a history of being a leader in these type of club drugs. So pink cocaine is what they refer to as a club drug, and this drug, as you kind of touched upon, is a combination of drugs, which you brought up is very interesting because she didn't have any alcohol in her system.
Yeah, no, she didn't have any alcohol in her system, so it seems like it's really we're focusing on the 2C, on the drug, which makes me think how she's going to defend herself. And I'll get to that in a second, but first I want to go to this new development, this new footage that came out. How does this footage affect the case?
Well, it's going to be it appears to be that it's going to be a very much of an uphill battle for whoever is defending this case. Because now we have footage right after and of her state and how she was, not just the testimony that would ultimately come out if there's a trial about what she was saying and how she was acting. I think that there is a lot of damaging evidence against her. I mean, just her admissions, which they're going to have a hard time keeping out, as well as the state she was in. And the pictures, I mean, the pictures of these vehicles are really, really going to be impactful on a jury.
What would be a defense here?
The only defense that I could possibly think of is that she didn't actually ingest the drugs, meaning that intentionally. Maybe somebody spiked her drink or something of that nature, and she didn't know. But the thing was, she does make that admission, and during that admission, she doesn't say that she thinks somebody put something in her drink. Or during the admission that, I don't know, I'm not feeling right. She knew exactly what that, she had taken and ingested. So that would still be a very much of a uphill battle as well.
The reason I say that is because there's a case that came out, and now I look at drug-induced crimes very differently. It was the Bryn Spetcher case. This woman stabbed a man over 100 times, and she had a marijuana-induced psychosis. And in that case, yes, she was convicted of manslaughter, but the judge ended up sentencing her to probation, not prison. So now I look at all these cases a little bit differently, and I think it matters in terms of what was ingested, how was it ingested, what did you know of this drug? So obviously we're still developing some of the facts here. There could be a fact pattern. I'm not saying it's true, but there could be a fact pattern where she says, I didn't realize I ingested 2C, but I've taken it before, so I knew what it was. I knew what the effect was on me. Maybe that's why she said, yeah, I'm high on 2C. But do you think that that could be a possibility where you take this drug, you might not know the effects it would have, you don't anticipate the effects that it would have, and you get behind the wheel, you cause a terrible crash, you don't mean to walk away? Not to say that she wouldn't be found guilty, but maybe she wouldn't necessarily go to prison for many years. I don't know. You tell me.
Well, I think that case is slightly different in the sense that marijuana generally overall does not have the effect of making you go and stab somebody like that. So I think that there was a stronger argument to be made that was extremely unusual under those circumstances. However, in this case, this is a cocktail of drugs that going in, you pretty much don't know. You're playing Russian roulette in a way because you don't really know what exactly is in it, and you're going in that with open eyes, as well as some of the effects that she had, the hallucinations and things of those nature that are coming out are consistent with that particular drug. Now, getting behind the car and driving fast and hallucinating, we would hope she wouldn't get behind the wheel, but the hallucinations would be consistent with what you were trying to achieve if you were trying to take this drug.
And taking, as if she really was hallucinating, talking about aliens and things like that she's from the future, would make sense. Why was she hit with the DUI manslaughter charges now, and what do you have to prove in order to get a conviction for those?
So they were waiting, the state attorney, because they wanted the toxicology to come back to show what was in her system and the levels that were in her system. like you had mentioned, initially the police officers weren't sure if she was manifesting the way she was initially because she was injured. They really didn't know what was going on, because it's not unheard of if somebody, hits their head and has a concussion, it can manifest in different ways. So, they weren't sure about that. So they were waiting. That was the main reason for that. I mean, the manslaughter, the vehicular homicide in Florida is pretty easy to prove, in the sense that we have that you were, driving recklessly. I think that's going to be easy. And someone basically died due to it. So I don't think there's no intent. You don't have to have the intent that you want to harm somebody. It really is, they get through the intent that way, that you had the intent to get behind the wheel, and then you acted in the manner that you acted, and because of that, somebody died. So, I mean, that's going to be based on the facts that we're hearing, unless something else comes out. That's going to be pretty easy for the prosecution to get a conviction on that.
And what is she looking at in terms of a potential punishment? My understanding, and correct me if I'm wrong, the manslaughter could be, 4 to 30 years in prison? But she's also hit with numerous charges. So what could she potentially be looking at if she's convicted across the board?
Well, the vehicular manslaughter is a maximum of 15. So, but she's looking at, with all of these, potentially 30 years. That's a long, long time. Now, unfortunately, because we do have 2 individuals that are deceased, the likelihood of, even if she was convicted by a jury, that she would be sentenced to that is pretty low. It really is pretty low. I don't believe.
Why do you say that? Why do you say that, considering 2 lives were taken in what is arguably, she hasn't been found guilty yet, but what is clearly a senseless case? They were on their way to work, and the allegation is some girl who's high on, this synthetic drug just slams right into them, killing them. Is 30 years outside the realm of possibility?
I don't think it's outside the realm of possibility, but generally overall, if you look at sentencing, that in that area, that's not customary. This has gotten a lot of media attention, so it may be that. First of all, likelihood is this isn't going to go to a trial. She's probably going to take a plea. But that being said, I think it hasn't come out. I believe she didn't really have a prior record other than the suspended license. Now, the court is going to take that into consideration for sure if we get to the sentencing phase. But whether she has a prior record is going to be calculated into that as well. I'm assuming that she would also put forth different individuals that would come forward and say she's an amazing human being and this was just a mess up, or she was a drug, had a dependency issue. And if I was her attorney, I would advise her to get in a rehab right now, because really that, when it comes to sentencing, is going to be a huge thing. Are you acknowledging you had a dependency issue, as well as are you seeking treatment?
What would be a deal? What would a deal look like?
I definitely think the deal in this situation is going to include actually her serving some time. I'm not saying that they're going to offer a deal that she doesn't serve some sort of time. The question is, how much time is she going to serve? I'm just not, like, we've been discussing this. What are her defenses? Her defenses really are, okay, somebody put something in her drink, possibly they could try at sentencing what you said about reducing it because she didn't realize she was going to react that way. But now she's all over social media as well, that we've got her appearing like she's partying pretty much all the time in some form. And so that could potentially come in as well if she tries to play that or argue that she, had never done this before, this drug. But now we have posts where she's out on yachts, with drinks in her hands. She's really seems to appear from her social media that she was in that scene.
I was going to ask you if any of that social media content would make its way in. That's an interesting perspective about it. Now, obviously, the defense would say it's irrelevant, it's prejudicial. Bond hearing. You talk about the idea of she should get herself in a rehab. She's currently in jail. There's going to be a bond hearing next week. What do you think the likelihood is that her defense could mount a successful argument that she should be out pending trial?
Under the circumstances, I don't think they're going to win that. But related to the, going for help, going to rehab, her attorney can file a motion and ask that she's able to do that. The likelihood is the court, depending on the type of place that she was seeking to go, would probably grant that. In my experience, they want to support that, and it's just a question of how restrictive that is, that, you know, she can't come and go, check herself out, and they would put in parameters about that.
Well, to end this and to put a bow on this and going back to the victims in this case, there has been this GoFundMe that has been set up. And Ms. Hernandez, who I mentioned, wrote this, and I want everybody to hear this. Abraham's son, just 16 years old, has been left without the love and care of his father, who was his whole world. Due to my injuries, and I am unable to work at the moment, and the young man's life has changed radically. His mother, who lives in Nicaragua and suffers from Parkinson's, is also now grieving, helpless, and without the financial support her son provided. Again, just a really tragic situation, sad situation. We will see how it progresses, whether a plea deal will actually happen, and in the immediate future to see if she's out on bond next week. Alexis Rosenberg, thank you so much for coming on. Really appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
The caller reported that he's trying to impound a vehicle, but the owner got in the vehicle and won't get out. I ran the subject's name, and it looks like he has a misdemeanor warrant locally for aiming or discharging a weapon. Hey, Keith. Stanley, white male in his 40s. I saw he had a warrant.
Let's detain him for now.
Yeah. Is he still in the truck? Yep. Still in there?
Yeah. Hey, Stanley.
350-19.
Do you have any weapons on you?
Absolutely none.
Okay, I'm gonna have you step out for now. Okay?
I will not step out.
Okay, well, I think we have a warrant for your arrest. So
Get out of the car.
I will not step out.
Okay.
Get out of the car! Grab him. Give me your hands! Behind your back. I got handcuffs.
489.
Okay. When we say get out of the car, we mean get out of the car, Stanley. You understand us?
Yes. Do you have any weapons on you?
I don't even have my license on me, man.
That'd be a no, wouldn't it? 440 County. We have one in custody after pepper spray.
Units are calling each other. 513 arriving next 31 the other car.
Are you going to be able to stand up?
Not without help. I mean, I'm disabled.
Grab the, here.
Here we go. Ready? Up.
I'll be out 529.
And let's go back this way. Watch the glasses. Watch the glasses.
Okay. I got it.
Stanley, did you know about your warrant?
If I have a warrant, yes, I know what it is. It's a failure to pay on a pointing a firearm or something.
Yeah, aiming or discharging a firearm.
I was illegally convicted due to the complete incompetency of my so-called private public defender.
So are you saying you didn't know about your warrant?
No, I was aware of it.
Okay, how come you haven't taken care of it yet?
Because I will not pay for a stupid ticket.
Okay, I'll help you. Turn.
To your right.
And then sit straight back. Watch your head.
Well, we'll take care of that warrant tonight. How come you wouldn't get out of your truck after we asked you to a couple times?
I wouldn't get out of the truck because I knew that was going to tow it, and there's absolutely no reason for him to tow it.
Is it?
There's a disabled sticker in the window.
Okay, well, my partner told you to get out of the car. You said no. I said, well, Stanley, you have a warrant for your arrest. You need to get out now. Then you refused, okay?
Was I violent in any way?
Doesn't matter.
Was I violent in any way? No, I wanted to argue the point with you.
Well, when you got a warrant for your arrest, it's hard to argue that.
Well,
Right?
yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'll talk to the tow driver real quick and see what the disposition of that's going to be.
All right. All right. What's your side of the story on the tow?
My side of the story is it's an illegal tow. There's a disabled sticker right there in the window.
Are they repoing it or just towing it because it's in a disabled spot?
Because it's in a disabled parking.
Okay.
I told him I'd get out as soon as he put it on the ground.
Okay. So it's being towed because it's in a handicapped spot.
Yeah.
All right. Do you have any disabled placards or anything on your truck?
Disabled placard on the dash of my truck.
Oh, there is one on the dashboard.
Yeah, it wasn't on there whenever he hooked up to it.
Oh.
It wasn't there. It was laying in the floor.
That's probably why they called the tow truck, just because your placard wasn't visible.
Yeah, and when I walked up and told him that I am a disabled driver, he should have put it back down because it was an illegal tow.
You know, unfortunately, once they hook a car up like that, they won't put it down until you pay them. So what exactly happened here?
Just going to private impound.
He admitted that when you got here, he didn't have the placard on his car.
Yeah.
And he put it on once he saw you, it was already hooked up.
Truck. Yeah, so hooked up to it.
Sure. And you just waited for us at that point?
Yeah, I just called you guys up.
Okay. Unfortunately for him, he's gonna owe the tow truck company money to get his truck back, and he's going to jail on his warrant.
We're headed to a call of a person with a gun. He's walking southbound in an alley, and we got a couple complainants.
Got me hold there until they're code for.
Drop the gun now! Police department!
Drop
the gun!
Stop
Drop
right
it!
there!
Drop
Stop!
it! Now! Drop the gun!
Put your hands up!
Put it on the ground!
Get on the ground!
Face down!
On the ground! Everybody on the ground right now!
Face down! Want to air this location for me?
Huh? It's in my house.
I'm not talking to you.
Put your hands behind your back. You got anything else on you?
No, it's just a light in my cigarettes.
922, we're code 4 with 4 people. And these are the right parties.
Copy. 922 is code 4 with 4 in there.
What was the address where that broken car window was?
What are you doing walking around with that?
I'm just shooting some cans in my yard, man.
It's illegal in the city
you weren't
limits,
seen
man.
right here. You were seen up the block with all that, with that gun.
No walking around with
You
it.
shooting anything?
Nah.
You never shot it?
Nope.
Well, why would we be here getting a call then?
You just said you were shooting cans in your yard, so that's
Cans
shooting.
in my
it,
yard. I'm not
right?
going up a block and shooting out windows.
We got people that said you were. Sit up, put your knee in. Up. There you go. Let's go to the car. So you start being honest with me, or do I gotta go get witnesses to say that you were walking around with the gun up the alley? Are you afraid of getting in trouble because of the car window?
No, man. I'm telling you the truth, man.
You're telling me the truth? I don't think you are, though. Right?
I can't just listen. Man, I've been in my house all the time.
That's not true. All right, we've already talked to 2 people in your yard that said you weren't in your yard the whole time.
All right, that's what
So if you just keep lying, it's not going to help you. It's just going to show you're a liar. So then when you go to court, you're just going to be a big liar. You all right with that?
Yeah, I guess so then, if that's what they would say.
How long have you had the gun outside?
Like 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yeah.
And you just were in the yard the entire time?
Yeah, man. Been shooting off a little can. The beer can.
All right, where's the beer can that you were shooting?
Go look, it's in the back.
Where in the back? I'll go look. Where in the back?
By the peace tree.
Okay. What's your first name?
Jared.
Spell it.
G-E-R.
All right. Be right with you. There's a car up the block here, about a half a block away from where we found the guy with the BB gun. And the caller said that he broke the window out with the gun. I don't know if he shot it or hit it. 922.
922, go ahead.
The plate on the car is going to be 226. Has a broken back window out. We'll head back to the scene and then see if we can find the witness.
She was walking with him down the street.
Did he shoot the window out or did he break it with the rifle?
They shot.
Shot? Okay, and it was the Asian guy that did it? What's his name? Gurr?
Jack.
You know why you're in this car today? You were caught shooting that gun off, broke out a back window of a car. People saw you do it. Okay, and then we caught you with the gun in your hand. Ends up being a BB gun. Still can't do that in the city of Minneapolis. Okay? You know there's lots of kids running around?
Yeah.
Probably your own family out there, the side of the house.
Yeah.
What would happen if one of those BBs hit one of them or hit somebody else down the street?
Yeah, I know what you're saying.
People could get hurt. If they got hit by that BB, then it wouldn't just be a BB gun charge, it'd be a real gun charge. It'd be assault, okay? You are going to go to jail tonight for damage to property, to felony, and for the gross misdemeanor charge of carrying the BB gun in public and discharging it. You understand?
Yeah.
No questions?
No questions.
All right.
130, blonde hair, and a gray outfit.
Got me blonde hair and a gray outfit. I'm here. Yeah, he's got a problem. He looks a little amped up. What's going on?
He was, I leave the grounds right.
What?
I don't know what happened.
Step to the car and take your hands out of your pockets. Take your hands out of your pockets and step up to my car. That's the second time I've asked you. You're making me nervous. Take your hands out of your pockets and step up to my car.
Unless you charge me with something.
Take your hands out of your pockets and... Don't resist. Now put your hands behind your back, or you're gonna get the taser.
I'm trying.
Put your hands behind your back.
Man,
All right?
you know what's up. Man, you know I'm trying. Man, just shut up.
Wrong answer.
Shut the up.
Let your hands go. Let your hands go.
You know I was trying.
Trying to do what?
Trying to let you arrest me.
Sit up.
You know what's up.
Sit up. Now we're gonna stand up.
The only way
You
I'm
ready?
gonna arrest you.
You ready? We're
The
gonna
only
stand
way-
up. Stand
Hey.
up. Stand up. Now we're gonna stand in front of the car. That's what I asked you earlier, right here.
You know. Hey.
Listen.
No,
Sit down.
No,
Sit up.
no.
Sit down.
No,
You know what?
No.
Sit down. Sit down.
I will sit down.
Sit down.
How do you want me to sit down?
On your butt. Ah, there you go. What is your problem tonight? What is your problem?
Because people trying to harass me.
For what? What's your first
For
name?
being white.
What's your first name?
Eric,
Eric what?
I don't want to release that.
How much have you been drinking? Huh?
About 5 beers.
How old are you, man?
22.
Where's your ID?
In my wallet, where the do you think it is?
Hey, you keep it up with this attitude, you're gonna be in jail tonight.
Man.
You know that, right? All right, you ready? We're gonna stand up again.
Ah!
Let's walk to that car.
Ah! Come on!
Let's take him out back over by the MDs.
Come on!
You know what? I'll just walk him over. Come on.
Come on, man! I ain't
That's
you.
The guy in the white.
You know, I didn't know what you had in your pockets, and that's why you're in this situation now. Should have just showed me your hands.
Have I done anything to you? Let me go, man!
Come on, walk.
That hurts!
I'm gonna take them off if you relax. As soon as you relax, I'm gonna take them off. Come on. Right here, B. Right here. Turn around. Right here. You wanna go home or you wanna go to jail?
Right now, it doesn't really matter.
It should matter, because
It
you don't
doesn't.
want to be in jail with your attitude tonight.
What you trying to try me with? What you trying to try me with?
All right.
Okay.
He was leaning over this guy in the hat right here, saying, "Let me see your ID. Let me see your ID, you Asian bitch. You don't
Just
belong in
being
my
weird.
country." Yeah. And the guy was ignoring him for like 10 minutes. He was doing it 15 minutes. And he's like leaning over, spitting on him. "You Asian trash, you trash, get out of my country." So this guy got up and was saying, go away, go inside the store, leave me alone.
Right.
And he was on the phone, and he pushed him. And so that's when I came over and said, "Hey, knock it off." And
Right.
he started calling us monsters. And
Did he do anything? Did he hit you or do anything?
he tried to attack the other guy I was with.
And
But
then
he pushed him away, and then he had to go, and then that's when he started walking away, and we called again.
And that's when we came up on him then?
Yeah, and then the manager was coming out, and all the managers are like minorities. We're all minorities, and he's just,
Racial slurs and stuff like that? Okay. What's his deal?
He said that if we let him go, people here are going to kill him.
Let's just go ahead and take him to jail and be done with this.
I know we're headed to a chain of 3 nightclubs in the area. A lot of drug complaints in it. We get out, talk to some people, see what we can find.
Hey, how we doing?
About to go in there?
You about to go in there?
Yeah. I'm smoking a cigarette.
You are? Yeah, where's your other hand at? He's got something on him. He's got something on him.
Wait, next me.
Step out of the car, player. Turn around, face the car. Turn around, face the car. No, turn around and face the car. Put your hands behind your back.
I ain't even got nothing on me.
That's all right. I know, you just shoved it in between the seats.
No, I did.
Ma'am, step out of the car.
Right here.
That's fine. Sit everything down on the seat. Sit all your stuff down. Sit your stuff down. That's fine. Turn around, place your hands behind your back. How old are you?
22.
22, outstanding. Bring her over here. All right. From this point forward, all 3 of you have been detained for our narcotics investigation. Anything you want to tell me about what's in your car? Nobody knows anything? Nobody knows anything?
Yeah,
Yeah, what you know?
What's in the car?
What's in the car, ma'am?
Some weed.
Okay, where's the weed at, ma'am? Where in the car, please?
Right there.
And right there, where? May be specific, please. In the back? The very back?
Yeah.
How much weed is in the car? Approximately.
Like
3 ounces, 3 grams, 3 pounds?
3 ounces.
3 ounces? Okay. Is it your weed?
No, it's somebody else that just got it from somebody.
You got it from somebody? What are you gonna do with it?
I was gonna smoke it.
3 ounces? And we have packaging materials. And what do you know?
Bingo.
That's 1 bag. She claims she has 3 ounces. I think she got ripped off because that's probably maybe like 1.5 ounces, maybe 2, unless they smoked up 1 ounce of it. Unfortunately for her, it's still enough to get her a felony charge of possession with intent to distribute marijuana more than 1/2 ounce. Is he vicious?
No, she's sweet.
Okay.
Just talk to her. Yeah.
His story was he wasn't doing anything. He was just sitting here.
I got pictures of that.
All right.
That's originally what I saw.
Probably about 1/4 ounce. The officers who approached the car when we first walked up, who approached the car from the passenger side, saw the rear seat passenger, the black man with the baseball cap, shoving that item in the seat. So he's going to get charged for the possession of marijuana, simple possession at this point. My officer saw you palming the weed. I found the weed in the back seat where you were sitting.
Some weed.
Yeah, we found it. About 1/4 ounce of weed sitting in the back seat where you were sitting.
That ain't mine.
It ain't yours? Who else is in the back? Is it a dog? The dog had a weed?
No.
Okay, there was nobody back in the back of the car but you and the dog. You got rolling papers, you got everything but the weed. And the only weed that's in the back seat is not yours. Now, you want to try this again?
Yeah.
All right, tell me what happened.
Earlier, he picked me up from the beach. I had like a quarter on me, and we smoked the blunt. That's why I got that package. And then I swear God, I didn't know about the weed in the car.
And which weed are you talking about? You talking about the weed in the back of the car?
Yeah, I didn't know about that.
Okay. Where's the quarter you had?
I put it in the back of the seat.
You put it in the back of the seat?
But that was way before y'all came, though.
Okay.
So I don't understand how y'all, like, because that's why I always put it, I mean, if I'm, like, in the car.
All right, thanks, man. Appreciate you being honest with me. Yeah, I just want to say, first of all, we're going to go ahead and take you over to see the magistrate for a bond hearing. All right. Is this your first time ever doing this?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
My first time in trouble, too.
First time in trouble. All right, it's a game of cat and mouse, and the cat always wins.
What's the deal with him?
Oh, is he spitting? He's got a spit cap on.
Can you release these cuffs? Because I'm not trying to resist arrest. So we're going to talk to you about that. You going to give us any trouble at all? No, ma'am. I mean, no, sir. Okay, we'll take the leg irons off you and let you walk, but the rest of the cuffs are staying on. So is this little cap, till we see how you're going to act. All right. Swear to God, I'm not trying to mess with no one right now. I'm already in much trouble as it is. Well, that is kind of true. Exactly. Just wait till we'll play it like you act. All right. She's gonna let go of your legs so you can get out. You want to slide out feet or you want to slide out this way? The feet first, please. Okay, I'm gonna push you.
Hold on. Watch your head. Watch your head. All right. All right.
Can you pull my hair on my face, please? We'll get that. We'll get that inside. We'll guide you. So what's his charges? Assault on an officer. Okay. What's your name? Michael. Come on, Mike. Let's go up here and get these cuffs off you. All right. Huh? Can you pull my pants up, please? I'm gonna let you do all that. Just remember, how you act is gonna dictate how we treat you. All right. Want pictures first? Can you please get that camera out of here? Don't worry about the camera. The camera's for me. Because I ain't trying to go through no more trouble. I don't want that camera in my face right now. You're gonna do like we tell you to do.
Like I said,
I said, don't you worry about that camera. It's here for us, not for you.
Exactly. Like
so you leave it alone.
All right, like I said, I'm gonna cooperate.
Okay.
I'm gonna cooperate. I ain't trying to go through no more trouble.
All right, don't mean making no threats. So you're sitting there making threats. You've already proven we can't trust you.
What are you looking for?
He's just looking for scrapes and scratches.
Well, that's right there. One tattoo, that's all. On my left shoulder, that's it.
All right, let's go.
You feel my face really fall?
No, I'm not gonna pull nothing up.
You could feel him starting to tense up and start to pull away. At that point, we had to gain control again.
Cover your mouth. Is this enough?
Now, what was the deal? All I asked was pull up my pants. And he pushed me in this door? Are you seriously kidding me?
No, no one's kidding you.
I'm not trying to resist arrest.
Then walk. Your mouth, man. Your mouth is what's getting you in trouble. All right?
On the floor. On the floor. On your stomach.
Okay.
Now, as you can see, he doesn't want to cooperate very well.
I'm cooperating after this.
So the action, his action gets our reaction.
I ain't got one thing on me. Are you kidding
We're not trusting you anymore.
Yeah, right.
Enough with your mouth, man. Enough.
All right.
Your mouth has already gotten you in this much trouble.
Yeah. I'll show you enough trouble.
No, you will. See, there you go again, making threats.
Right.
Making threats you can't keep. And listen to me. We're going to take these cuffs off you. You're going to stay on this floor until we all back out of this holding cell.
Okay.
And if you act crazy in here, hitting on our door,
do not move your hand.
We will come back in here, and this time it won't be as pleasant. Stay on the floor.
All right.
As you can see, he just doesn't listen. So what happened on the street?
Just drunk and disorderly at his parents' house and went out as a domestic. But he didn't attack them. But when the corporal got there, he was screaming and hollering at the front door and came at my corporal.
When you attacked your corporal? That's what got him here. Otherwise, he wouldn't even be here. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to go there and talk to this gentleman, and we're going to try to take him out of the holding cell and see if he's ready to get the booking process over with. All right, Mike. Like I said, we're going to try to get you out and get this done. Just relax. You can relax. Now, you know why we put you in this holding cell?
Causing trouble.
Causing trouble? No problems now? You're going to be all good? Let's get this done. Here, grab that for me. If you don't mind, we'll throw that in the garbage. That wasn't fun wearing, was it?
Yes, sir.
Feeling better? So what happened to you at home? What started all this?
My mom and dad.
Getting arguing with them because you're drinking or something? Yeah. They didn't like that? So who called the police? Step back for me. Your mom did? You never done this before? First time? I'm sure they'll give you a break. I think you'll be all right. All right? Okay. I want you to go ahead and have a seat over here for me, Mike. I'll get your paperwork and we'll get you finished up.
All right.
I don't think Michael's really a bad kid. He's a troubled kid. He's probably got an alcohol problem, which is most people come to jail has got an alcohol problem, it seems like. It's when they want to fight, want alcohol. You see Michael stay sober, he's probably the nicest kid you could ask to meet. I think he'll make it.
I work for the Hamilton County Sheriff's Department. I've been here for 15 years, and I am one of the intake supervisors. Working here, you never can tell what type of person we're going to get coming in through the doors. Officers don't discriminate, so anyone could be arrested for any small thing. What did he get arrested for?
Burglary.
Oh.
Yeah, he broke into an apartment. We caught him still inside the apartment. And glass broken. He had the glass fragments on his boot. He had the bubble coat that 2 witnesses saw him wearing, and we also found the property next to where
he was giving you a hard time in the vehicle?
The entire time down here. This is how he was acting the entire time down here.
That's normal behavior for him.
For him?
Yeah, that's normal for him.
She's 8 months pregnant.
Okay.
Oh.
Are you in labor now?
I'm just hurting. I don't go in labor. I have cesareans, but I'm hurting, Sarge. That's
Where you
all.
hurting at?
My,
Well, lower.
yes.
Well, she needs to know. You have feeling pressure or pain?
Both. Pressure.
How'd you come in contact with her?
We got dispatched for a theft report.
Simple theft.
Showed up. She was just getting on a city bus. We stopped the city bus, got her off of it. She had the property on her. Brought her down here.
Easy arrest.
Yeah.
Come on, he's ready for you. Grab your jacket. Come around this way, sweetie.
Lord have mercy. Sarge, if I scream, come in, okay?
No, I don't deliver. Eric, step up here.
Oh, here I come.
And be still. Stand right there and don't move.
He was disorderly the entire way down to the jail. Gave us a hard time. We had to stop a couple times, make sure he was still secured.
I didn't take
Eric,
nothing.
stay facing the wall.
Money to take something, so be good.
Turn around, face the
Eric,
wall.
turn around and face the wall and chill. Calm way down.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't shake them things.
Hey, I'm clean.
Okay.
He told the nurse he was suicidal.
Eric, did you tell her you was feeling suicidal?
Yeah, now I'm feeling suicidal.
You playing games?
Not really. I didn't feel suicidal until I found out I had a felony. So now I really do.
Oh,
feel
because of your
suicidal.
charge.
Yeah.
Come on.
No, but I don't.
You already told me you're suicidal. I can't lose my county job because you don't want to be suicidal all of a sudden.
But what if I feel less suicidal than?
There ain't no less. You told two people. You told the girl at pretrial and you told me. He needs to be dressed out in yellow. Stop. What size you wear? Small, small?
I really ain't suicidal. I'm madicidal.
No. You what suicidal?
Madicidal.
You mean homicidal?
No, madicidal.
That's a new one.
Come on, my man, right back here.
Now he's going to be placed on suicide watch because after speaking to pretrial and finding out that he has a felony, now he feels suicidal or madicidal, as he says, which I don't understand what that means. So now he'll go to court in a yellow uniform on suicide watch. I don't believe that he's suicidal. Just wants to be in a cell with a blanket tonight.
All right.
Let's go.
I'm pregnant. I don't think I should be going to jail for no
Ma'am,
sweatshirt.
you do understand why I arrested you.
Oh, no problem. It's not your fault. But I'm just saying, they got their property back. You know, it was mine. If I took it, I'll say I took it. And in any of my conditions that I've ever done, I just got out doing 7 years.
Right, but it has nothing to do with you being pregnant.
Oh, no, but you arrested me, though. How do you know that lady ain't lying? Or how do you know I ain't lying? You know, I'm a Christian. I'm not gonna go in there and steal no sweatshirt and jeopardize me to come to jail to eat bologna sandwiches and juices when I'm out in the street.
Ma'am, have a seat. You belong to this officer. Why are you back here fussing and complaining?
No, I wasn't complaining, ma'am.
You weren't?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Go ahead and have a seat.
Sarge, I swear to God, I'm not in the wrong. I get ready to get back on the bus to go back home. Here comes these officers.
You didn't have a receipt?
The lady had it.
Then why would she call the police and say you stole
Because
it?
I don't know, she went and, no, I didn't have the receipt to do the exchange. No, my friend has the receipt. If you felt like I stole something, you should have been calling the police then, not wait till I get to a bus stop.
Well, you know, it takes the police a minute to get there.
Not on that, nah. It take them to get them child molesters a minute.
Well, how we jump to child molesters?
I'm saying, but for a petty theft, come on now. Come on, Sarge. Everybody ain't bad people.
Okay, go ahead and listen to what he's telling you to do.
Sarge, everybody ain't bad people.
I'm not saying everybody's a bad person.
I should have the benefit of the doubt. Because people lie. I've lied. And I'm already almost due. And it hurts.
All right, you understand that I'm doing whatever I can do on our end for the sheriff's department to make sure that everything is done correctly, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And you gonna show up for court?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
On your behalf.
All right.
And I'm going to give you the big picture of my baby when it's born so you can put it in your office.
Okay.
Because I'm going to say this is the one who let you go.
It's the officer. The one that you said needs to give you the benefit of the doubt. It's the officer. All right, I'll be back to check on you in a minute, okay? She's 8 months pregnant, so she was given a court date to come back. But Alicia feels, though, just because she's pregnant, she shouldn't have been brought to jail. The probability is that she won't show up for court. We'll probably catch her after she gives birth to her baby.
I have a call over on jail reception. We got an arrestee refusing to dress out at this time. We need to go check it out and see what's going on back here.
Step back. You gonna step back? Are you gonna step back?
Okay? All right.
Man, I'm asking this man questions. This man gonna come up and choke me, cuz. He gonna come up and choke me.
Okay, you gonna stand down?
Man, stand down for what?
You're gonna stand down.
Man, I was standing there. I was at the line getting my stuff.
Okay, do you gotta yell?
I was standing in line. He told me, stop talking to me while you back here. He keep on coming to the front of the line. Yeah, man, you gonna shut up. You gonna shut up back here. How you gonna make me shut up? You're not gonna make me shut up nowhere.
Tell me when you finish.
Man.
Tell me when you finish.
That gave him no right to put his hands on me because he got a pissed off mouth. Because he pissed off because I keep talking.
That man asked you not to talk. Did you not just say that?
But when I'm in line...
No, that ain't what I asked you. That ain't what I asked you. Did you not just tell me that statement?
Tell you what.
That when the guy asked you to stop talking... Wait. When Deputy Smith asked you to stop talking, you turned back around and said to Deputy Smith...
No, he didn't say stop talking. He didn't say stop talking. He said stop talking to me. I stopped speaking to him, and I said I'm going to speak to the inmates.
Tell you what I'm gonna do. He's kicking the door. Oh, he's kicking the door.
Man, how? Man, now I'm kicking the door, man. Now I'm kicking the door. Now I'm kicking the door, man.
I'm asking you, did you kick the door early?
Man.
Did you kick the door early?
Did I ask you, could I speak to you earlier when you sat right there?
I haven't been up here all night.
Okay, then I don't know. I haven't kicked the door. I haven't.
Guess what?
You're not trying. You didn't offer a bit of assistance yet. You still haven't fixed this handcuff.
We ain't negotiating.
It's not a negotiation. I'm telling you, I'm hurting, and yes, I'm an inmate. Are you going to do your job and protect me? And you're not doing that because you're asking me questions and not doing. Look, I'm bleeding, and you still won't handle it. Come on.
Close the gate. That's all right. I'll be up here for a second. Had a disturbance back in dress out. He wouldn't cooperate in dress out. We had to bring him out. He had a scuffle back there with some of the officers back in dress out. At that point, we took him out of dress out, brought him around, placed him in a cell, hoping he would cool down. That's what I want. All right, what we gonna do, I'm gonna take him downstairs, and I'm gonna deal with him downstairs. Open the gate, open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door.
Here he comes.
All right, I'm gonna give you a couple of commands.
I said that last you offer to help me, man. You ain't offer to help me at all, man.
All right, now, I want you to walk down here, turn left.
Man, you ain't
walk and turn left.
Man, you ain't offer to help me, man.
I will not ask you again, sir.
You ain't offer to help me none.
Walk and turn left. I'm not gonna ask you again.
Man, you ain't asking me nothing. I'm doing what you want me to do, man. I'm doing what you want me to do, man. For what?
I'm tired of handling you now.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about, man? Man, now you punching me. Now you just punch me. Man, I ain't spit you. I ain't spit on you. Let go of my dreads, man. You had to do that.
Give me the chair. Open the gate back. Put him in the chair. Let's go.
You didn't choke me at all, man. For real. You had to put your hands on me, man. On me, man.
Matter of fact,
man.
Start strapping him in. Put it in there.
Man.
Strap his feet in.
Man, what you strapping up so tight for? Huh? Man, they sitting there beat your ass. They got that, man. What kind of is this, man?
Okay, put him in cell.
Man.
Right, man, type up right quick. I can do that. Right now, the gentleman that's in 239, we had a problem with him in dress out, not wanting to follow the deputy's instruction in dress out. At that point, they had a use of force situation, and we brought him back downstairs to keep him from arousing other inmates upstairs. We put him in the cell. He started banging on the cell. At that point, we had to actually put him in a restraint chair for his own safety and protection at that point.
Anything sharp or dangerous on you? No knives,
no.
needles? No?
Why should I need them?
I don't know. I don't know who you are, where you come from, so that's why I'm asking. So, What's he here for? What's going on?
$10,000 bail on a disorderly conduct. So you made some sort of judge angry.
$10,000.
You know what your warrant's for? You have no idea?
Now, what did I do? Now.
Okay, let's go get your shoes.
What did I do?
We'll tell you as soon as you get your shoes up here, okay?
Okay.
All right, sounds like a deal.
What did I do?
Let's get your shoes up here and we'll let you know, okay?
What did I do?
Sir.
Hey.
Okay, there we go.
What did I do?
And your pants.
What did I do?
Sir.
We discussed this. You just have a warrant for your arrest. That's it.
What's the charge?
Okay.
Disorderly conduct.
Okay, hands up on the counter.
Be a son of a
Stand back.
You're a liar. Oh, a disturbing peace.
Hey, be nice. You want some respect, right?
Liar.
All right, so you're just going to be signing for your money and your property?
Sign here. That's fine. You don't have to sign for it. We need fingerprints, though. Sir, don't do that.
I did.
Hey, come on. Let's go this way. I'm going to go in a timeout room over here, okay?
You're a liar.
Just going to go over here and you're going to sober up. Okay? As soon as you're ready, we'll get you out so you can get out of jail. Okay. So how was he out there when you approached him?
Up and down, really mellow, super nice, and then he would amp up, swearing.
Okay.
He's trying to start a fight.
Yeah, pretty much like in here.
Just like you witnessed.
Okay. Obviously, he's extremely intoxicated. Don't know if he has some mental health issues, but you know, put him in there for a little while and let him cool off.
But
You don't know?
no, but still.
We're gonna get to know them.
Wow, that's pretty neat.
Hello.
Hi.
My girlfriend has accepted a proposal from me today, so I'm pretty happy.
So you proposed to your girlfriend today?
She
you said?
accepted, yes.
Really?
We've been together a couple years.
Well, congratulations. Well, it's too bad you're here. What brings you here?
I was drinking and I'm on probation. The worst part of it all is that she's gonna be at home tonight and she's moving her own place and she don't even have a phone.
Yeah, that's terrible. So how'd you guys make contact tonight?
He was walking down the street hitchhiking.
Yes, sir, I was. I was walking home. I was late for dinner, so I started hitchhiking. I'm from Boring mainly, so you can hitchhike out there.
And obviously he's pretty high on meth.
And drinking all day.
And admitted he was drinking. And then I contacted his PO and they got a detainer on him.
So I'm kind of curious, how did you propose to your girlfriend?
Actually, my dad took us out to Popeye's Chicken, and our pit bulls were riding in the car with us on the way home. And I sit and ring on pit bull and I said, hey, baby, you want to get married?
So my next question would be, were you high on meth when you did propose, or were you sober, or what?
That had nothing to do with my proposal, sir.
No, I'm just curious. I mean,
she's a great woman. She's a gymnastics teacher. I have a job.
Good.
Actually, I asked these officers if I could do some help for them. Sergeant Fairview said that, you know, what I told him was true, then I'm more likely to be getting released tonight. So, if he's a man of his word, then hopefully I'll be home to see my girl tonight.
So how long have you been using meth for now?
I was with my girlfriend when I was 15. Her stepfather cooked, and I kind of fell into it like that. And I just off and on. I quit when I was 18 when I went to college.
Right.
Started again when I was 21. Quit when I was 23. My mom died. Then and so I started, and now I don't use it hardly that much. But I was high, yeah. I admit, you know, to where I've done it and do it, but no, there's no. She said we can't have a family like that, and I want to do better for me, you know.
And she doesn't use it, right?
No, she does not use it. She does not use it whatsoever.
So knowing that, you know, you guys are gonna get married and you're gonna start a
We're
family.
gonna move up to Bellevue. I mean, I've always worked my whole life.
So you're gonna get out the meth?
Look at my record. I don't steal. I don't do nothing. Yes, I am.
You are? Okay.
Yes.
What's it gonna take for you to stop? Because it seems
My
like
girl. I mean, you know what I mean? Me looking happy, me wanting to do it. Nothing else. This sucks. This is horrible.
Well, you know what meth does to you after a while, right?
Yes, sir, I do, and I don't use meth regularly at all. Now, let's get back to the point. It was my girlfriend's proposal night, though, man. It's horrible. Sorry.
Okay. Sign here for all your property. You get that when you get out, okay?
I can get out, or is this something to keep me quiet and think that, you know?
It's a parole detainer, so typically they'll keep you in jail. You don't need to sign it. That's fine. Right over here, sir. Right over here.
Do that, man. That's why you keep saying I don't know. I said I can handle the truth if you say it.
There you go. Straight down, straight up. Okay.
Okay, Dennis. Grab your stuff.
Come on, Dennis. Grab all your stuff. Come on down this way. Do you want to go ahead and put him in the side room, or do you want to keep him out?
I'll be
We're
good.
going to put you in a side cell just for a little while. You're bouncing up.
On my word, okay? Give me a chance then.
No, you go into the cell and you baby yourself for a little while, and then we'll let you out later, okay? But
Man,
you're bouncing.
I don't. I'm worse by myself, man. Please, I will not. I will sit there by myself and be quiet, please.
I'll leave the curtain off the window. Okay, come on down.
But every time I'm be here until I can get a hold of my girl, I wonder what she's thinking. You know, when you're in here, you're alone. There's nobody else. This is bouncing off the wall part.
He'll be like this for a while. When people are high on meth, it's something that lasts for hours and hours. And it looks like he's kind of unstable too with, you know, proposing his girlfriend. So we'll have to keep an eye on him in here. Hopefully he'll be okay.
I got arrested for a domestic. I'm the one with the black eye, claw marks all over me. And I'm the one in jail.
Is she here too, or no?
No, hell no. Well, I'm in jail for a crime I didn't commit.
So he's a little bit mad at the world. He was mad when he came in, and he's probably going to continue to be mad. He might not make it through the rest of our process out here. We're too busy out here tonight to have to deal with people's attitudes like that. So we'll give him a couple more minutes to see how he is.
I'm just saying, lose the attitude while you're in
right
here.
Right or wrong, you know. I mean, we can bounce around all over the political aspect of things.
But you won't be doing that by yourself and be in our way, so chill, homie. You still gotta go back to where we at. Chill out.
You tell me what.
You want to stay here and go through the process?
So I'm supposed to be happy. And now I gotta listen to this clown tell me to shut up.
So what brought you into jail tonight, man?
I don't know. The old lady calls the cops and says I hit her.
So is she a pretty big girl? 'Cause you look like you got a pretty good black eye.
Yeah, she's a big girl.
Hey, can I say something? The apology, I know we cool, man. I'm in here for domestic violence too, but I'm in here because my girl thought I was gonna leave her. My girl came out with 3 knives. She don't understand it, how much I love her.
Oh, okay.
She think I was gonna cheat on her, but I wasn't.
She came at you with 3 knives?
3 knives, man. That white girl hard on me. I done turned her into a monster, man. Look at my hair.
Did she do that?
Yes. Let's not us fight against each other, dog.
All right, bro. All right, I got you, man.
All right,
It's all good,
I'm in the
brother.
same
I apologize
situation.
to you.
Right. You
I
ain't no woman
apologize
beater
to
or a child molester. I know I ain't.
I know I ain't.
All right, then.
Hell
Well, right now, we in jail together,
Hell
so
no,
I
didn't
like.
even touch my woman. I got my ass beat by the
Me
woman
too,
because I
ain't
let
get
her kick my
I
butt.
ain't your
She got
neighbor,
marks on
right?
her face?
Nope.
Look like you got a black eye, though. I
She
do
got
see
no
that little
marks on her.
black
I got
eye.
a black eye. I
Like
got
how
a
you came to
black
jail
eye
and made
and
a
I
new
know
friend.
what
That's
to
pretty
do.
cool.
Whatever, man. I don't make no friends, bro.
Hey, so you apologize?
I apologize,
Thank you,
dog.
big dog.
I apologize.
Thank you.
So you've only been in here.
Apologize to you, too,
You
homie.
said she's done this to you before.
Yeah, and because she lied, I'm the one sitting here facing 2 years in prison.
And you're going to continue to
Keep
stay?
that ring on you?
Yeah, I love her.
Even though she'd send you to prison for 2 years?
Love has no bounds, huh?
No bounds.
Can I use the restroom, please?
Yeah, go
You may. Knock, make sure nobody's in there.
Hey, can you say my seat?
Hey, Dwayne. He's only been in here a couple of times, and all of a sudden in 2008 he came in about 10 times. So something's got to trigger that. So maybe we can figure that out and see what we can do to help him out.
Are you gonna be able to cooperate with my officers when we take you out of the vehicle? Be able to go through the booking process?
Yeah, man, come on, just let me out and I'll be gone on my way.
You done banging your head?
Yeah,
You done spitting?
As long as nobody touches me.
Well, we're gonna be touching you, sir.
That's all good.
Don't put him in the chair, start the camera. What's he being charged with tonight?
Burglary and conspiracy to commit animal cruelty.
Why you checking me up like that? Like I'm a violent person. How you doing? I wish I could see you if I didn't have that face on me.
He was unwilling to restrain his animals when Metro got there. He was combative with them. Once he was placed in the patrol vehicle, started hitting his head on the door and the cage of the vehicle. He was spitting, so they put the spit mask on him. He said he would cooperate as long as no one touched him. Well, obviously that's not going to happen. So we went ahead and placed him in the restraint chair so that we can see how well he's going to be able to behave.
I'm going to lift up your spit mask to take a look at your cut, okay?
No, please don't touch me.
I'm not.
She's medical.
I just want to look at it.
No, don't touch me. I don't care. I'm ready to die. I don't
So
give
you're
a
using medical treatment?
Ma'am,
I just want to see whether or not you have
I do not
a
care.
need for stitches.
I don't care.
So you're not going to let me look at your cut?
Possibly been drinking. The arresting officer also told us that he was making comments that they should just go ahead and take him out to the desert and kill him. So he might also be suicide risk. We'll go ahead and leave him in the restraint chair now, observing, see how he does.
Oh!
There you go. There you go.
Why don't you just put a gun to my head and shoot me?
What are you in jail for?
What am I in jail for?
Yeah. So what are you in jail
Everybody
for?
wants to start fight with me, man. Come on.
What are you in jail
Even
for?
cops.
What are you in jail for?
My violent.
Your violent what?
My violent temper.
So would you hit somebody?
Somebody that was getting stupid with me.
No, I thought your charges had something to do with animal cruelty.
No, it ain't no animal cruelty. I got animals, man. I got dogs.
How many dogs you got?
I got 2 pits and a chihuahua, man. You call my wife, dog.
I'll make you a better deal. You want to call your wife yourself? Okay. First step's gonna be, okay.
I want to go home. I want to go home to my kids.
I'm gonna look at your head real quick. It's medical, all right? You're not gonna spit, right?
I ain't spitting nothing, man.
All right.
You guys busted me already.
I didn't bust you down.
You guys already busted me. It's all good.
So I'm just going to look at your head, okay?
They got blood everywhere. Hey, can you get me out of here?
Can I get you out of here?
I want to go
I'm
home.
the last person to talk to, my friend.
I gotta
So make
see
sure
my
that your head's in
kids.
place, okay?
All right, stay quiet. I'll have Psych come over and talk to you, and we'll figure out where we're gonna house you. If you behave, I'll leave you like this. If you don't, you're gonna start acting up again. This goes back on you, and your hands go back, and they go back behind your
You can shoot
bag.
me, man. I'd rather be shot or stabbed than even have that on my face because I feel like I'm suffocating. Just suffocating me, man.
He's gotta calm down. Just be quiet. I'll be back in 15 minutes.
Gonna come talk to our code 5 that we put in 2C. He's had some time to relax and hopefully sleep off the intoxication or alcohol that he's had. So we'll see what kind of was going on with him and his story and what was happening. Hey, can you sit up again for me? Just wanted to chat with you for a few minutes, see what happened out there. Sounds like you had a little bit of drama out there on the street with the police and what was going on. So what happened out there?
I was just defending myself, man. You know what I'm saying?
Well, you were pretty erratic. Had you been drinking tonight? Were you?
I had about a 6-pack of Corona. That was it.
6-pack of Corona? Did you do anything else? Any other kind of drugs or anything? Because you were pretty hopped up when you came in.
2 shots of Goldschlager.
Okay. A little Goldschlager, a couple of beers. All right. You're going to have a psych nurse come in and talk to you again, and you'll be able to go through the system the way you're supposed to, okay? Try to have a good rest of your time here. Somebody with too much alcohol in their system and brought him up here to isolation so he can sleep it off, and he's obviously been able to do that, so he'll be able to finish out this process. I'm sure he'll get cleared here when the psych is able to talk to him in the morning, and he'll be able to get out of this area and into the general population.
This is what they do. Knock it off. Knock it off.
Put it on him. There you go. You good now?
I'm killing all you guys.
Hey, relax. Let the deputies do their job.
Hey, why don't you search the 20 Mexicans that threw rocks at me?
Listen to me.
Oh, were they too tough for you guys?
You've been here before? Hey,
Yeah, I check on you.
You've been here before, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so just calm down. You know how this works.
I never remember you, kid.
You been drinking tonight? A little bit? Were
I'm
using-
killing all you.
Hey,
White Sox. Yeah, you mother. I just wait for you to sleep.
Relax.
Christopher.
Put that.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is what happens when you're a victim. This is is the only way you've ever helped me.
You need to relax.
This is the only way you've ever helped me.
Deputies do their job.
I love the
Get you
pain.
inside.
I love the
Give you a
pain.
place to lay down
Give
and
it to me,
relax.
baby. Hey, so we still playing tennis? Yeah, we gotta play tennis again, right? We got a match.
All right, Kristen, I'm just gonna search you.
You guys rip me up every time I get some dope from the
Hey, I rip off your dope?
Yeah.
I want your dope?
Every time I got dope and I come here, you play my nuts and it's gone.
Yeah.
Give me some more.
Relax.
Give me some more.
Relax. What is he here for? That's all.
Intoxicated pedestrian in a roadway.
Hey, Christopher, I'm worried about your safety. Do you have anything that a doctor sees you for?
I like your slap.
Thank you. Do I need to worry about you hurting yourself while you're here, Christopher?
I hurt myself every day with these.
Okay. It definitely should be close ops. I mean, that's a
I got
no-brainer.
Christopher, we're gonna go up to your knees, all right?
Oh yeah.
Go ahead and stand up.
We can't tell you the truth.
There you go.
All right,
You don't want to tell the rest of the story, right? We'll get to the Mexicans.
all right.
That's how it works. I'm a registered voter. I'm a registered voter. And you Mexicans want to put a point on me? I'm killing everybody. You. You're dead. You're dead.
So we're eating that today?
No.
No? Just drinking?
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
All right, go back down to your knees, sir. Taser up.
We have a taser here. We can deliver 50,000 volts of electricity, okay? You need to do exactly what the deputies tell you, and don't resist them.
All right, the voter.
Relax.
All right, Kristen, you need to remain in those positions and do not get up until you hear this door shut. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So what did the arresting officer tell you about Chris?
Said the Reno Police Department's bike team went out on him, and he had a brick, and he was going to throw it at little kids, and they pulled their guns out on him and almost shot him.
I noticed when he came in that he was claiming that he was a victim.
No, they said he might have been hallucinating, or he might be under the influence of something.
His charge is a minor one, intoxicated pedestrian in a roadway. He's fortunate that he didn't get charged with a much more serious crime, especially given the circumstances. We're going to go check on Chris right now. He came in combative and was very uncooperative early. We want to make sure he's doing all right and that there's no issues with him.
Chris. Hey, buddy, how you doing? Want some water or something? Don't be rude to me. If I'm gonna help you out, man, you gotta be polite.
Here, sit up so you can get a drink of water.
How you feeling, man? Not so good? You just feel like sleeping and kicking back? Yeah.
Remember where you were when you were picked up?
On the ground.
Around? What street? Remember? Downtown?
Just go to sleep, please.
Yeah, I think that's probably a good call. Whatever he may have been under the influence of seems to be wearing off. When he wakes up in the morning, day shift will probably take care of him, get him booked through, and see if he qualifies for his own recognizance release.
The heat generally adds another aspect to it where people are getting frustrated with the situation. They tend to, have more domestic violences, more aggravated. They tend to drink a whole lot more. So it's one of those things that you never really know what you're going to get here. Okay, we're gonna go out to Sallyport. Supposedly we got a combative coming in, so we're gonna go out there and assist, make sure the officer's all good to go. So what was the issue tonight?
The issue was he was urinating on the side of a building
Okay.
and he was resisting. Therefore, he hit his face on a picnic table and had to go get stitches.
How you doing, sir?
My nose.
Okay, I understand that.
I'm cool.
Okay, you're gonna behave yourself, right?
Yeah, dude, I've been arrested like 25 times.
All right, come on out here. Watch your head getting out, sir. We're gonna go right over here, okay?
Tell me what I did.
Ma'am.
You're gonna put me someplace.
Well,
You know why? No, you're not, because you complain. I tell What you're gonna do you're is not you're not gonna gonna fight put me. me You're not gonna fight me. You understand? Put your hands behind your back. You're not gonna fight me. Okay? You will comply. I've given you a chance today already. The truth story. I got him. I got him. I'm gonna tell somebody the true story. So. Don't grab my hand. I promise. Let's go in 14. I'm not gonna let somebody treat me bad. I'm not gonna let somebody treat me bad. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. I promise I didn't do anything. You are so mean. I haven't done anything. I Let me have a seat. haven't done anything. I'll sit here. I'll sit here. My mother is in, and my husband is doing this to me because he doesn't want me to. Bring it forward. And they're letting him do this to me. I haven't done anything. I'm so. Hey, ma'am, you're going about this all the wrong way. All the wrong way. Why are y'all doing this to me? I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. I promise. Oh! Oh! I sat her down here and I was talking to her about, she wanted to know about her charges and everything, and I explained all that to her, but I think because of the alcohol, she's just not hearing it. So. Virginia, we need to get fingerprints and picture of you, okay? Are we gonna have any problems when we take you out of the chair? Okay. You take the lap belt off. Take the lap belt off. You don't have any diseases. All right. You All don't right. have to wear plastic. No. We have to do all that. Go ahead and stand. Okay. Your legs might be a little weak, okay? Because you've been sitting in this chair. So. No problem with that, right? Come on. You know we have. I don't understand why I could be arrested when I didn't do anything. Okay. And remember, I was talking to you about that earlier. Is that, it's just an accusation at this point. I know, Okay. but You haven't I been found didn't guilty. do- But they Okay. didn't find me at my house doing anything. All right. Well, you'll get a chance to argue that in court, okay? Why don't they go arrest But right now we got him? to take care of this first, okay? We've got to go through this process, right?
Virginia?
Right here.
Okay, wonderful. Put your back over here against this blue wall, please. Face forward. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, Kimberly, come on over here.
Virginia.
Virginia, Lee. Come on over here. See right here.
I should be able to go home. And it's just.
Did you want to use a free phone or no?
I want to go home. I want to go home. I want to be able to walk This out is of an here. opportunity. I did not do anything. This is an opportunity for you to use the I phone, did and that's not it. do anything. I understand that. Tell me what I did. Tell me what I did. Tell me what I did. Please tell me what I did. Do this again. If you tell me what I did, then I will admit and do something. No, tell me Virginia, I what I try to did. explain it to you that this I'm is not only an fighting. accusation. It's not. I You haven't could been found guilty of this probably yet. fight a lot harder than anybody else out here. I am not fighting. I am just saying, please, I didn't do anything. Please, I didn't. She's not going to do walk. She's going to go in the chair. No, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. I promise. Don't take. I didn't do anything. That's not fair. I didn't do anything. You took me out of my house, and I didn't do anything. You didn't have to make this difficult. I have not done anything.
Did I do anything? Did I hit anybody? Did I do anything? You have to give me a reason for being in this. This is not right. I have not done anything.
Okay. All right.
I promise I will. I swear that I will prosecute you people because I have not done anything. I have not. I promise I don't hit people. Somebody please tell me, why am I being held here?
All right. Chair gonna fit in there?
I'm not gonna hurt you, I promise.
got you. I'm sure
not
you
gonna
won't.
do anything mean.
We're good. We're good.
I'm not a mean person. I promise,
Do you
I
re-
really haven't done anything.
Listen to me. Do you remember resisting the officers?
Resisting what
Mhm.
officers? Where?
Downstairs, when you were downstairs, do you remember doing
But
that?
at my house, why did anybody take me here?
You understand where you're at?
Why did anybody bring
We
me
have
to my
nothing to
house?
do with that.
No, you have to tell me why I am brought here.
Are you gonna comply
In the
with our...
first place,
Are you gonna
why
comply with
was
our
I
directions?
brought to this place? I did not do anything. I was in
Strong
my
smell
own
alcohol.
house. It doesn't matter.
When you decide to comply...
You
let
can
me
smell
know.
like alcohol in your own
Okay.
house.
That's all I need.
It doesn't matter.
She's not gonna listen.
Is those
Very good,
straps?
I appreciate it.
All right.
I know the rules.
Sarge, she'll go to court later, be magistrated, be told what her bonds are on both her charges, and hopefully she can secure her release. If she's not able to secure her release, she'll remain here until she has a subsequent court date.
Currently, right now, I have a trainee. Her name is Deputy Powell. She should be able to do most of the job functions that we do on the first floor with minimal supervision or direction. Is she almost done? When she's done, we're gonna do the in custodies.
Okay.
So just lock her down and then we'll go from there. Or send her back wherever she belongs. One of the procedures that we do here at the IRC is process inmates who are getting released from our custody to another jurisdiction's custody, and that's what I'm gonna teach my trainee now. Are they ready, pal? All right, so now you grab this list. Okay, let's go. We are now gonna remove the bodies from the cells. We're gonna have them lined up against the wall, right? And then we're gonna conduct a final search before we get them up to their housing locations. So you're gonna have inmates from a bunch of different doors. In a case like this, there's 23. We're gonna move total. You wanna wake them all up. Ladies, get up, get dressed. They're talking, so did you give them?
No talking.
Okay, so what are you gonna instruct them to do when they come out?
I'm gonna have them line up starting at the end of this green door.
Okay.
All the way down
Okay,
and across.
with their backs against the wall.
Back against the wall.
You don't wanna be standing here so that they cross you. So wherever, maybe over here, because initially you're gonna have them go over there. So you don't want them to cross you this way.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
I'm here, but I'm not here.
Okay. Come out here, line up with your back against the wall next to the green door. Let's go. First name.
Stephanie.
Back against the wall.
Where's she going?
You're going right next to her. Go all the way down to the end of that door. Your hands right next to her. Go. All the way down. Step on. That way.
Pay attention to what they're doing when they come out of that cell.
What's your first name?
Tina.
Okay, keep your hands in your pocket. Line up next to her. Back against the wall.
Stop. Step back inside. You don't back off. They do.
Okay.
If they come close to you, you back them away.
Okay.
You stand your ground right there, okay?
Okay. Let's go right next to him. Back against the wall.
Okay, put your hands in your pockets.
All right, ladies, come down here and stand right here. Back against the wall.
So we have women's jail, Mike and Kay out here. All right. Okay, so do your search. and
Okay,
then
everyone empty your pockets. Everything out of your pockets, lay it in front of you.
Be aggressive in your commands.
Pull your pants up to your knees.
Keep those feet on the ground.
Pull your socks up.
Can you see everybody? Are you?
Yeah. Okay.
What else do we check when we're down here?
Open your mouths.
Do you want them to just open their mouth or
Your
lift
tongue
up?
out. Like this. Your pinkies.
Okay, I'm gonna walk them, and then they'll come, and then they'll come.
Okay, instruct them, I'm not here.
Okay, you're gonna follow this group. After the end, you're going to come and follow up. Do you guys understand? Keep your hands in your pocket, no talking, always looking forward.
Catch up.
Let's go. Everyone else follow. Let's go.
When we're moving this amount of females, walk on the left side, keep your hands in your pockets. We want to make sure we have at least 2 deputies escorting them. We instruct them to stay on the left side of the wall so that if there's any disorder or something arises, we can see it easier, and also to maintain clear views of each other. We usually leave them at this point. Yeah, thank you. This is the last week of training, and only 2 days next week, or 1. Still be assertive, okay? Don't be so nonchalant with them, because if they want to, they'll give you that little run for your money. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Don't let your guard down. Still take control of them. If you have to take control of them by the arm, do that. You don't have to slam them anywhere, but take control of them. Make sure they control their hands at all times. When you open the door, give them a command. Hey, stand up, put your hands in your pockets. Don't be, hey, come out here, you know, put your hand. No. Hey, stand up. I want everybody dressed, put your hands in your pockets.
Okay.
Okay, just be assertive.
Okay.
That doesn't mean you have to go beyond that. Just be assertive.
Facing the wall. Turn around, face the wall. Turn around, face the wall. Give me your sweatshirt off.
Difficult task.
We'll give you a shirt. Listen, we'll give you a shirt when you get to pat down, okay?
What did she come in for tonight?
She was trespassing on a hotel downtown, and when I grabbed her, she had some crack cocaine in her hand.
Does she have any priors for anything?
She's got tons of drug
Just
charges.
basic
paraphernalia.
drug charges
Yeah, and
mostly.
she had 2 pipe stuff that she gave us. So she's here for PCS cocaine and narcotics paraphernalia.
How y'all gonna have me walking around like this?
Don't worry about it.
No, I am worried about it because you can see everything outside.
Hold still. We'll get you one of our shirts to cover up the thing you
How
pat down
long?
here. As soon as we get you done with the medical process. Come down here. Slow down. This way. This way. Come here. Slow down. You're moving at warp speed. Come on down here and see the nurse. Slow down. Slow down.
You got me?
I know. Just relax. Relax. Here, come talk to her. She's our
Stay
nurse.
standing, face that way. You have any allergies to food or medicine? No. Anything on your body, bleeding or infection?
She doesn't want to cooperate with the nurse. Here. I will get.
I don't want to go.
Okay, come on.
Come on. You want me to take What's her first
Yeah.
name? I don't know. What's her first name? What's your first name, ma'am?
Y'all got that written down. First.
She didn't want to cooperate with the medical screen. When she wants to cooperate, we'll let her finish the booking process. We're going to take her to a side cell, let her sit back here, relax for a little bit. Take her out of the chains, take the rest of her property off her.
Okay, you need to stay in this position until we leave the room. Do you understand?
So we're just taking the rest of her property off her, taking the chains off her, let her sit in here and relax. So when she's calm, wants to finish the rest of the booking process, we'll pull her out of here. Have her finish being medically screened by the nurse. She's agitated. Said she'd smoked a little bit of crack earlier today. So I said she's kind of coming down off of that a little bit. Hey, have a couple other officers and have the nurse come down to 16. Get the nurse to come down. Guys, have a seat. Everybody have a seat. Do me a favor, gentlemen. Slide all the way down there out of the way from me, all right? I got nurses coming. Hey. Hey. Gentlemen, I need everybody to stand up. Need everybody to stand up. Come out. Stand out. Follow this way, guys. Okay. Was he sitting on the bench? All right, thanks, guys. Can you stand up, man? Can you walk? We're gonna take you out here and keep an eye on you for a second, all right? Make a left, man. Come down there. Well, give me a holler if you think you're gonna go down again, all right? Okay. You feeling all right?
Yeah.
Better? Have a seat right here. So we just keep an eye on you for a minute, okay?
How do you feel right now?
You're just sitting on the bench in there, you just felt it. You don't remember falling and hitting the floor? No. Did you get hurt? You hit your head? Anything?
My head hurts, but yeah, my head hurts.
It doesn't sound like really a seizure. It sounds more like a fainting episode. So
Okay. So
I'll
otherwise,
just come right out of it.
yeah. Do you think you're a little dehydrated? You want something to drink?
If I could.
Okay, let's get him some water.
I guess he'd fallen off the bench and was laying on the floor. And then medical staff came, checked him out, brought him out here. We're just going to leave him out here, or we can keep an eye on him a little bit better. He might just be a little dehydrated. And so the medical staff is out here to keep an eye on him, so we'll see how he feels in a few minutes. Good luck we were walking down the hallway when we were. So the inmates hit the glass and pointed it out to us. So I said, they look out for each other sometimes too. Now we're gonna go head back down to the side. So where we put Gillette earlier, let her calm down a little bit. We got her something to wear to cover up. It's kind of cold back here. Jolita, you ready to finish the booking process? Breakfast is almost here. Come on out. Go ahead and grab your shoes. They're right here. How you feel?
Tired?
Better? Jolita, we're going to sit you out here in the open booking area. You're going to be able to get along with everybody? All right, cool. Head all the way down. Right here, Jolita. Have a seat up here in the front with these girls. If you need to get up for anything, just raise your hand, okay? We'll get her paperwork back in the system here and get her moving so we can get her finished with the booking process, and we'll see how long she lasts out here. She's been cooperative so far. She's not cooperating. She's very upset. Jolita. Yeah? Jolita, come here. I gotta get your fingerprints. Jolita, come here. Come here. Work with me. Come through here. Don't pay attention to her. She's kind of out there. Jolita, come over here. I gotta get your fingerprints. Come straight through here. Move, man. He's gonna get your fingerprints real fast. Try to hold still. We'll get this done real quick.
Hold real still. You need to see your right hand, all 4 fingers together.
Jolita's acting up already, so she'll probably end up back in a side cell by herself again. She has a hard time getting along with others.
Let me give you a copy of your charges, sir. This is yours. You can have a seat back over there where you were.
Jolita, get along with the girls over there, okay? You got possession of controlled substance and possession of paraphernalia. Yeah, she's not happy about what she's been charged with. And she knows why she's here, though. She just saw it on paper and is not happy about it. So she'll forget about it in a few minutes, and we'll put her away, and she'll just go to sleep.
Look, man, per Sergeant Trevino, you're not moving, man. There's someplace else for you. You're stacked.
We got called down here because an inmate wouldn't refuse to lock down after feet up. We told him that he's going to get OC sprayed, which he ended up getting OC fogged. And he still refused to lock down. The lieutenant's on the phone with the captain trying to get a hold of authorization to go ahead and use the pepper ball launcher on him.
What's wrong with Sully's Nothing. I know, man, but it's jail. It's not about what you want. It's about where there's room, man. They're in a cell by themselves. You ain't being moved. Ain't no more I can do.
You're gonna be in that cell by yourself with that other guy? That's not a problem to you. Okay? Look, I don't want to come in there, but I'll come in there and I'm gonna pepperball you if I have to. I don't want to, but I will. It's your choice. I'm trying to work with you, but you know, you gotta work for yourself. All right. Okay, the last chance. You wanna go or not? We're coming in. Okay, your call. Let's do it. Lay down, lay down, lay down. We'll cuff them up. Ready?
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground and cuff them.
Lay down!
Lay down. Get on your stomach! Get on your stomach, cuff them!
Get on your stomach! Get on your stomach!
Cuff them up. Fall back. Fall back. Put your hand on your back down. Put your hand on your back. Tase if you don't.
Oh, my head.
Oh, well.
Stand up, don't even. My head, back.
Stand up.
Take him over in the corner. Let him ever get over there.
Sit down.
Try to seal his bench. We're gonna have medical come down and check him out and clear him from the pepper ball and the physical application.
Well, that's sore from this morning, but you're okay.
Brandon, you gonna do the double cuff thing? Get the double shot? I mean, another double cuff.
You're getting stripped out. Don't fight. Hey! You're gonna fight, you're gonna get taken.
We ordered multiple times of lockdown. Our sergeant went down and talked to him a few times also. He still wouldn't comply. I ended up applying pepper balls to him, his back and his leg area.
Manager? Yeah. Get me a statement as quickly as possible. Got your same for you, McCann? Yep.
All the time. I figured I'd lose it when I go in there.
Yeah, that's fine. Sergeant, he said, LT said, I just didn't.
He's just trying to make the time here harder for himself. We got a new marksman in the transfer cell. A marksman is a person that was highly intoxicated, but not actually have any charges. So they're just gonna come in here and pretty much hang out in the drunk tank and hang out until they sober up. We go by this, which is a kind of a handheld breathalyzer machine. If they gotta be over 0.050 to come in, and then they gotta be under that to leave.
Where were you picked up?
At my home.
At your home? Okay, all right.
Ma'am, I need you to take a deep breath and blow into this. Blow. We'll just go with this.
What was her first name, man? Brooke. Okay. She probably blew, what, zeros?
No, she didn't. She was 101. She was over. She'd been drinking.
101?
Yeah.
Just gonna cause a conflict when I get home again. Asking about my phone. So I want your opinion on what I should do so I don't appear back here.
Is this with your sister?
My brother's girlfriend. They're engaged.
She lives with you?
Yes, and
Okay.
she's crazy.
Okay.
She shoved me. My neck is really hurt. My back is torn up. I haven't pressed charges because she's a mastermind. She's very intelligent. She's a criminal. She's a convicted felon in Michigan. Okay? She's very, 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 very intelligent. Knows what she's doing. Knows how to manipulate people. Look out for her. She's from Michigan. Bay City, Bay County, mastermind, crazy, psychotic. She's the one that you want. Believe me. She's got prison tattoos all over her body. Mine are professional, as you can see. So that's the one you want. It's a long story. It's drama. It's like Jerry Springer. Okay? It truly is like Jerry Springer. I mean, you guys can laugh. I'll laugh with you.
Thank you. Just have a seat number 3, okay, team?
No problem.
Thank you.
I'm going in there, but it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. The people that go to jail and the people that don't go to jail.
You just have to hear them out. And then after a while, you just send them off to their cell. And then just take it easy, relax. All she needs is just someone to come pick her up, and she's free to go. She's not under arrest or anything like that.
Oh, you ain't getting no young.
You got any medical problems? Right over there. Oh, you got a bunch? Go in and go in there.
Yeah, driving. I need to lay down again. I don't know if that means anymore.
You're just drunk.
I'm not drunk. I think I'm drunk.
You smell like beer, for one. All right, we're gonna uncuff you. You're gonna take off your leg. Let me see your leg. He's just vocal. He ain't.
I'm barking worse than my bike, bro. So
Go ahead and have a seat, bro.
I ain't gonna start with y'all. I'm barking worse than my bike.
All right, let me see the leg. You want to drop your pants? All right, brother. You know what? I think you're fine to go to the nurse. I want you to bring down the roar.
Y'all look bad, dude. I'm bow down.
No.
Bro, my dad was a cop. My grandpa was a state trooper. Bodyguard to Earl. No.
Where'd you get the Smith protector series?
I bought it from a friend.
Okay.
Come on.
I want this cop to take you over there.
Yeah.
I want you to see the nurse, tell him your stuff. Bring down the screaming just a little bit, okay?
Oh, I'm screaming?
Yeah, you're screaming. Just do as I ask.
I I'm in the second mode.
I'll put you in the back and you can sing if you want, okay?
You got it.
All right.
Yeah, driving blues.
All right, take him on to medical.
All right, you know where it's at.
He's not too bad. He just likes to be the center of attention.
Yeah, driving. I'm way down.
Yeah.
Look up here, please.
Who's gonna throw up?
And what are you, dummy? Dummy, down don't work no more. Wise up and get smart, baby. The president's doing enough job for that. He ain't doing a good job at that. Looking up real bad.
Step on over here, Peter.
And if I don't, what you gonna do?
We're gonna move you over there.
You gonna put your hands on me a little bit too much already, man.
I'm very sorry about that.
Step back.
Pretty.
Oh, come on.
There we go. Wasn't that beautiful?
Hell nah. Where my footprint at? That's the beauty, baby.
That was beautiful. Oh, yeah.
Why y'all keep doing this every time?
Because you're just so special.
Like I'm so different.
You're so
I'm the
special.
same.
You're so special.
Get the
But
Don't play with me. Don't play with me. You better act professional, don't get personal. Why you keep pressing me?
We're gonna take him upstairs.
He's going upstairs?
Yeah.
I'm doing more policemen than they doing, and they say, hey, what you doing? What you doing? And here I am, where that Indian at? Fez is here.
All right, brother.
That ain't you.
Over there. Bathroom in the corner. Yeah, I'll have him. Back. Back, please.
Hey, calm down, man.
Don't you ever do that again. I was trying to be nice to you.
I was in the hole. Leave me in the hole. Leave me in the hole, baby. Leave me in the hole.
Give me your hand.
Put your hand behind your back.
I need to go in the hole. I told you that.
I was trying to let you use the restroom.
You were trying to do what? You were total control.
I wanted you to use the restroom.
Intoxication. Upset me.
All right, come on. What up, man?
Going back to 11?
Yep.
They usually put me here by myself, where I belong, on the cup. What are you talking about? Am I missing something? Am I missing something? Are you me?
Kneel down.
Am I missing something? Who are you?
Is it tight?
Yeah.
That's good.
This one is.
This one's tight.
All you had to do was go use the restroom.
These all two steps?
Yeah. That's all you had to do was use the restroom.
Okay. Let's go back in there.
Go ahead. We have to safely release these people. If you're too intoxicated and we release you early and you get in a car accident or you get into an accident, whether it be walking or getting into a car or anything else, we're still held liable for that. So we're gonna make the right determinations and make sure that this man's safely able to function out in the world again.
We have an inmate going through alcohol withdrawal. They treated him in the hospital, but he is a possible danger to himself and others. They're very unpredictable when they go through this alcohol detox. Sometimes they see things and they just react. So you got to be very careful. Their strength is doubled. They get threatened very easily. They can become a little delirious. He's going to be placed in a restraining chair. Siéntate. Sit back, sit back. Relax. We know each other for a long time, and he's been drinking a long time. Where's your glasses? You broke your glasses? Were you drinking when you broke your glasses?
That's my problem.
I know that's your problem. Mucho cerveza, sí.
No, un poquito menos.
Un poquito menos.
Menos, sí. Para controlarse un poco ya.
The nurse is now coming in. Nurse is going to check on the inmate in the restraint chair, interviews them, make sure that the restraints are on properly.
Are you having any problems now?
Yeah, right. Thank you. Ahí lo encontré ya.
Is it too tight? You want to loosen up a little bit?
Yes. Better?
Ok, gracias.
De nada.
Sí.
You're going to come out for a little walk in a little bit, okay? Relax.
Okay, sir.
You have Fernando with you?
Yeah, we're coming up in a minute.
10-4.
Our boy got out of the chair. Bartalo, Bartalo, Bartalo. Suave,
Yo no
Bartalo.
estoy despertando a él.
Suave, suave. Got this on,
Trata
son?
mal así.
You gotta stop, Bartalo. You're gonna be here for a while, okay? But you can't. But Bartalo, stop. Stop. I know, but not right now.
Everybody, I gotta go home.
Not right now. Not right now, Bartalo. Mucho cerveza. And
No problem. This, what happened?
relax. We'll see what happens tomorrow, but right now you're in jail.
Hey, Cole, can you meet me by the bullpen, please?
10-4. Just been called by the sergeant. I got to meet him by the bullpen. We're gonna find out what's going on. What do you got, Sarge?
Hey, Cole, we got flooded SDU1. You gotta go in here.
He flooded the cell?
Yeah. You gotta go in and get that.
Yes, sir. We're going to the SDU area. One of the inmates just flooded their cell. We're gonna go over to the SDU area and find out why he flooded his cell, how he flooded his cell. We'll find out what the problem is. He flooded the whole cell. Gentlemen, face the wall. Not over there. Over there. But it's only water. What happened? What happened? Why'd you flood it out now?
Because they had me on the floor. They said they was going to give me a mat.
So you didn't get a match, so you flooded it out?
Yeah, they hit me in my face.
That was on. But the reason you flooded out was because you didn't get a mattress. Right? All right. Keep your hands on the wall. He has a gripe. He alleges that he didn't get something that he's entitled to. So what he did is he took his state issue clothes and placed them in the toilet, and then flushed the toilet several times, which caused the flooding of the special detention unit. We're gonna get this mess cleaned up. All right, don't flood it. The reason that he said he flooded his cell is because he didn't allegedly get something that he was supposed to get while he was in the lockup. Come to find out that the reason that he's down here is from flooding another section of the jail. So that's pretty much, he does this all the time for reasons that are beyond me. Carlos, siéntate. High five. Siéntate. Why is he out? He got up by himself? Come on. Bartalo, Maliki. You come out.
Yeah, I gotta go.
No, you're not going anywhere. Bartalo, you're not going anywhere. No.
No more drinking? No nothing?
Wait, no more drinking. You told me that the last time, no more drinking.
No more drinking. No, I have it here. I don't have it here. Yeah, I come out.
They're under medical supervision the whole time that they're suffering from this withdrawal symptom. Nurse Williams is going to medicate the inmate. Bartalo, medicina.
Thank you.
We make sure that he's well hydrated because when they go through this, they sweat profusely. The medication will start to take effect in a little while. It'll make him calm down, make him a little tired. We'll get you in the shower. You feeling a little better? Carmelo, you feeling better?
Yeah,
A little bit, right? Okay. Take a couple of days, but you'll be okay. All right?
Okay.
Relax. You will probably not remember 90% of this. That's why it's important that we protect them while they're going through this. They see things, they hear things that you and I can't see and hear. And they can end up hurting themselves without even knowing it. You gotta relax, Bartalo. We'll take care of you. All right?
At about 8 o'clock that morning, the Yolo County SWAT team arrived at 63-year-old Hector Perez's trailer to serve an arrest warrant on child molestation-related charges. In the past, Perez was convicted of assaulting a police officer. Because of his history of violence, officials from multiple departments, including a crisis negotiation team, responded.
Hector Perez, we know you're in the trailer.
For 4 hours, officials tried to get in contact with Perez, yelling to him from outside the trailer and calling people he knew. Eventually, they used a drone to get a better look at his trailer without harming any of his neighbors. Through that drone footage, officials confirmed Perez was inside.
This is the Yolo County Sheriff's Office. You need to come, step outside of the trailer with your hands up and surrender to police now.
After that, Yolo County officials used a robot to break inside the trailer and get a better look around. Body camera video shows first responders also using a pole camera to search for Perez.
Somebody help me with the visual here. I'll hold it. That bathroom looks... See a sink.
Keep going.
God, it looks...
I'll watch it for you. A lot of blood in the sink, right? No, that's
no,
up.
It's like a light.
That's a light fixture.
I'm not seeing anybody in this room. It's small.
What about the tub? There's a tub to the left,
right here.
The shower?
Shower, hold on. Let me get back to that.
It's this way.
Yeah, I'm working on it.
As officials use the camera to search through Perez's trailer, he begins pulling on it.
Trying to get into the shower itself.
How about now?
But we got a lot.
He's yanking on it. He's in there.
Hey, show me your hands. Contact. He is. Hey, hold him. Hey, shield. Hey, hold back. Hey, hold back to the vehicle. Hold back to the vehicle.
Hey, I'm gonna test this camera that he yanked in there.
Yolo County officials say Perez still did not comply after grabbing the camera. They then used an armored vehicle to approach the trailer's front door. One officer threw a phone inside his trailer in an effort to communicate, but Perez did not use it. That's when officers used CS gas as another tactic to get Perez outside. At about 12:35 p.m., officials say Perez finally exited the trailer. They report his clothes were bloody and he was carrying a knife. Officers can be heard calling for Perez to show his hands before firing a less lethal weapon. This video shows another angle of the less lethal weapon being fired.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
When Perez still does not drop the weapon, an officer opens fire.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Shots fired! Shots fired!
When Perez left the trailer with the knife, he walked in the direction of an officer posted behind a propane tank. 3 more officers were located behind a nearby tree. After the shooting, Perez dropped the knife near the front of his trailer. That's when officials began performing life-saving measures.
Hands up! Hands up! Let's start life-saving.
Nearby paramedics responded to the shooting, but Perez was pronounced dead on the scene. The shooting is now under investigation by the Davis Police Department. The Yolo County District Attorney is overseeing it to determine whether use of force was justified in the shooting.
What you doing?
Sit down!
What you doing?
Take him down. Take him down. Take him down.
Go to the ground.
Go down. What's wrong with you, man?
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
Get out me, man.
Put your hands behind your back. Hey, don't spit on me.
I spit
Do
on
not
the floor.
spit on me.
I spit on the floor.
You got me.
Spit it all, you
You got me.
Shouldn't have busted my lip. I spit on the floor.
Stop. Give me a spit mask. Let me know when you're ready to take the hands. Ready? Do an assessment at 514. I don't know whether he intended to do it or not, but he's spitting right in my direction. Generally, we don't let anybody who's using the phone to talk either threatening or using foul language toward anybody they're talking to on the phone. The officer asked him not to do that. And when he refused, he told him to hang the phone up. And he cursed at the officer, called him a few choice names, and the officer hung the phone up for him and commenced escorting him back here. And he started pulling away from the officer.
All I told him was, I said, stop cursing on the phone. He first thing came, like, F you. You know, so.
My trusty patrol hat here. Got to get ready. It's my last night at booking. Start patrol on Sunday. The heat's gonna be coming down on that old noggin. Got to be ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and break it in and finish the night with it. Right here, man. Right here.
Big sucking ass. You a
Go ahead, go in there, man. Come on.
Got that
come on,
Jack
come on.
Mag.
Come on. Chill out. Come here. Go ahead and turn around. I'm not gonna tell you a whole lot of times what I need you to do. You understand? I'm not gonna tell you a whole lot of times.
What are you taking to jail for? For nothing?
I don't know. But now that you're here, I got a job to do. Right. Let me do my job. You're dealing with us right now, okay? So just chill out. Okay? You got time to play games.
I'm gonna hold you to your word. Don't lie to me, because you know I ain't gonna lie to you.
Was he, hey, Bradshaw, how was he when you took him out?
Just now.
I mean, how was he? How was he? He's all right? Okay. All right. They've already taken him out of the chair. Apparently he was behaving okay enough to get out of the chair, the officers felt. I think his anger is pointed primarily at the officers that had him taken down earlier, and maybe me also. But if we can get another officer to deal with him and he'll be cooperative, we'll try that route just to get him processed. I'm gonna go talk to David. Hopefully he's calmed down. He's mad at the officers that arrested him, but can I have 513, please? David, just go ahead and sit down real quick, man. I'm gonna talk to you, okay? I understand you're mad about what happened out there on the street tonight.
He just came, put his car in park, jumped out the car, grabbed him in the face and pushed him on the ground, threw him on the ground, man.
But
for no reason, just because I told him to slow down.
David.
And I said, what you throw him on the ground for? He said, you going to jail for resisting arrest. For no reason.
Okay. You still not understanding the fact that you're here now. Regardless of whether you think it was for any, whatever reason it was, or they didn't have a reason, regardless of all that.
It wasn't no resisting, because he jumped out of the car, he just grabbed him in my face and pushed him on the ground, man.
David, I don't expect anybody to be happy about being in jail. But while you're here, man, don't make it worse on yourself. Okay? Give me a few. All right, David? Give me a few. Sit him back there and let him calm down a little bit. Hopefully he can sit out here like he wants to. Last time out. I tell you what, we're gonna do the ceremonial handover of the coveted key. The only difference now is that when I put this stuff on at home, I won't take it off until I come back home. And my hope will be to come back home every day. Give some love, baby. I love you, brother. Much love, man. Take care of yourself.
You take care of yourself, baby.
I will, man. I'm keeping it together, brother. It's kind of sad to leave this place. I mean, the officers and even some of the inmates that you get to deal with, sometimes it's pleasant, but you take everything it comes with and do the best you can. It's been good. It's been good.
We're here at the Salt Lake County Metropolitan Jail. This facility holds minimums, medium, and maximum security prisoners. There aren't a lot of beds. At this point, we're mostly holding felons. Most of the misdemeanors we have to let go due to overcrowding. We have lots of different areas. People that are compliant can come down here and they start getting processed pretty quickly. People that are either intoxicated, on drugs, or they're combative, they generally go into our holding cells where it takes a little longer for them to get moving along. So if you find yourself breaking the law in Salt Lake County, this is where you're going to find yourself ending up.
Could you please let me go? I'm an Army infantry soldier from the Gulf War. I've got a Bronze Star, and I'm in jail.
Been drinking a little bit tonight, have we?
Is that against the law in the United States?
If you're drunk in public, yeah. But I'm just trying to find out what you're in for. What's going on?
If you need this Army infantry sergeant, his charges, I would be glad to know.
Well, I don't know your
I
charges.
feel like I'm in Russia right now. They're gonna give me a drunk in public?
We'll tell you.
I was in charge of 15 guys' lives. You got a true soldier right here.
Tell you
drunk
what.
in public? Take the handcuffs off, man.
Relax.
Yeah. Try me, Baldy. Homer Simpson.
What are y'all upset about with me?
You're getting me worked up, man.
I'm just trying to talk to you. There's no need to get worked
what
up.
do you want to talk about, man? What do you want to talk about? I'm in handcuffs. What do you want to talk about? You want some? Take the handcuffs off. Talking with an Army infantry soldier, man. A decorated one. I'm drunk in public? You punk. Take the handcuffs off, bitch.
Tell you what, why don't you try and relax?
Take them off.
There's no need to be all
I'm
hostile.
totally relaxed. I can't be more calmer.
Well,
I can't be more mellow, man.
settle down, George. Hey, officer, can you tell us what went on with him before he came in?
George was refused at a private club. He walked in with a cigarette. He was asked to leave. He came back in with a cigarette, was asked to leave again. Had a minor altercation with the door person. They called us. We got there. Investigation. Based on his behavior, we brought him in for the public intox, and then you saw the rest.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate that.
I will rescue American people. That's the number one thing. There's no doubt in my mind. I'm a patriot. And that's all. You know, if I go down in history, I want to be a patriot. And that's it.
Let's go get searched, George.
As soon as you guys let me out, I will never be a problem again. Hopefully this is the last time.
Hopefully this isn't the last time.
Well, I had a knife in my pocket.
I got your knife already. Anything else? Needles, pins, razor blades?
No, I don't do any drugs, you know.
So you don't have any drugs on
that
you?
That causes permanent and irreversible brain damage.
Turn around and put your back against the wall. There you go.
Oh, what?
Open your mouth.
A soldier had a couple
George.
drinks too much.
Open your mouth.
Boy.
George.
Hey, you mind if I button my pants up?
Open your mouth. Put your pinkies in and pull your cheeks out.
Why did you put your pinkies in and put my
Because I ain't
cheeks
putting
out?
my fingers in your mouth. Put your pinkies
Well, I
in.
ain't putting your fingers in my mouth unless I have to.
Put your other one in here. Both sides. Pull straight out. There we go.
Oh, you must be like
your
a
hands
tough
in there.
guy. What are you doing, man?
I'm looking in your mouth to make sure you don't have
With
any.
my own fingers?
Yes.
Find something.
George, don't.
George? I ain't doing nothing, man.
Let's take him all the way down. All the way down. Control Sergeant De Niro. We have a non-compliant prisoner, search station A and intake. We have level A responders.
Give me a hand, George. Oh. All right, I'm good, man.
Hang tight for a second. We'll shackle him and then we'll move him to the cell.
All right.
Okay, George, we're going to stand you up and move you to a cell. Get your feet under you. We'll help you up.
What happened to the car stand?
Walk backwards. Watch your step.
Oh, man.
Watch your step.
I'm having a hard time walking.
You're almost there.
Oh.
Okay, kneel down for us.
Kneel down.
Now lay down on your stomach. Okay, Lloyd, you want to help him get the shackles off? Okay, George, in just a second, we're going to help you stand up. We're going to back you up to the door. Control Sergeant De Niro processing is code 4. Get your hands out here, George. There you go.
Hey, bend your knees, crouch down. Hey, George, put your hands in.
Thank you. Thanks. So this prisoner came in. He was fairly intoxicated. He was a little upset while he was out on the intake bench, but he was up and down a little bit. Once he's sober, I'm sure he'll be fine. We'll be able to get him booked. I think it's his first time in jail, and it turned out to not be a very good experience for him, but we'll take care of him from here.
All Green Bay personnel, we have a code 6.
We got a code 6 signal 4.
He don't know way over there. You don't know who it was? And we came back, he was sitting there and we didn't know nothing. They were all sitting there.
Bring him on out. He looks like he's fixing to pass out.
Your wheelchair?
Come out. Hey, we want you to sit down on the floor out here. Come out here and sit down on the floor. You don't know who hit you? Sit down on the floor until medical gets here. He got hit in the head.
Why y'all want to hit me, man?
Sit down.
Nobody.
Slide down the wall. Slide down. Slide down. We don't know.
He don't know. He don't know who hit him.
What do you think they hit you with?
Fists.
All right, then he said that it was fists, so we should be able to see something on hands.
Well, let's line them up. Somebody gonna go with him. You gonna go look at hands?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna go with him.
All right, y'all know the drill. We want to see some hands. Show us your hands. See your hands. Everybody over here has been checked? Okay, whose stuff is this? Whose stuff is this? Huh? Whose stuff is this? Okay. I want you out. Gather up your stuff. Who's playing chess? So nobody's playing chess. This doesn't belong to anybody?
Yeah, it's mine. You want me to get it? You want me to move my stuff too?
I want you to roll your stuff too. He was out. These people were out here and should have seen something. So if they didn't see it, they're not going to talk about it, then they're involved in it. We had a fight in the pod. There was stuff on the table, so obviously somebody had seen something. So I pulled out inmates that belonged to that stuff. We're going to go talk to them now and see if we can't get any information as to what led up to this assault. Now I'll try to talk to them and get something out of them. Can I get the north holdover? What happened?
I don't know what happened.
You were sitting right there.
Next thing I know, everybody's on. I have no idea.
Everybody who?
I have no idea.
How many times was he hit?
I turned away. As soon as it happened, I went to my bunk and laid down. I don't know anything. I promise. I swear. Believe me.
Were they black? Were they Hispanic? I can't put him back in another pod where he's
You
gonna...
can't put me back in the pod either, because I'm
I know
snitching
that.
already.
I know that.
Just because you pulled me out because it was my pen. I didn't do nothing to the man, and I don't know nothing. I didn't hear nothing, I didn't see nothing.
You did. You saw something. Tell me if it was one or two.
It's a group.
It's a group that's been banding together, Bloods and Crips. Right? The black guy said he ain't involved, but they all ran over there to him. And he told them because he's not involved anyway. And he says they got little groups, Bloods and Crips, and they hanging out together trying to strong arm people.
So why'd they get this guy then? Okay.
I don't know. He just got in there last night. He just moved here.
Yeah, they think he's a child molester or something like that. I don't know.
He just moved here.
Why would they think that?
Guess he said something wrong to one of them. I don't know.
So this is what the other guy gave you?
He said they banding together as Bloods and Crips, and there was a group.
So did we get names so that we can keep separates on them?
He said, I don't know who hit him because I was sitting in front. He was sitting right here in front of the TV. But he wanted to be moved anyway. He said, I won't be in that tank.
Sergeant Palmer got a hold of some information that he thinks it may be related to gangs. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here and check on the inmate in the medical right now. How you feeling? Hold up. Let me see what you got.
Bunch of whelps.
Well, we got it narrowed down to who got you. What were you doing?
Playing cards.
So you were sitting there playing cards and they just jumped you from behind?
They stayed behind me. It's like somebody was trying to keep me down so they could hit me.
So they hit you more than once?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Are they going to be sending you to the hospital, do you know?
Yes, ma'am. I'm seeing lights go like that aren't supposed to be there.
Okay. And you'll be going to JPS hospital. The other inmates that we pulled out, whether or not they gave us any information, we're going to be rehousing them for their own safety. One of the witnesses gave Officer DeGear the names of some inmates that might be involved in it. So what I'm going to do is keep them separate, get them out of there, just to keep this from happening again.
We're going to move their plane.
Do me a favor, step out of the car. Turn off the vehicle and step out. Do you have any guns, knives, drugs, bombs, anything crazy in the car? Okay, ma'am, I'm talking to her, not you. Step over here.
Sir.
Step right to the front of this car. How much you had to drink today?
I had a drink at overseas, and we were coming. Well, two drinks.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me explain something. There's somebody who's been behind you. Stay in the car.
That's
Shut the door right now and stay in the car.
That's my neighbor that lives in. We live in Grassy Keep.
Okay.
But my
Let me explain
neighbors.
something.
Yes, sir.
A car got behind you all the way back about 99th Street by the airport, okay? They've been behind you the entire time. You've been reported as all over the road. I then pull into here, you pull out of Tom Thumb without even paying attention to oncoming traffic. Then you pull into here, make a wide right-hand turn, you're driving in the, you're driving in the grass.
Right.
I light you up all the way at the top of the street, then you continue to drive down the street.
You know, I know that doesn't mean shit, but I was like, my friend was trying to teach me how to back.
Stay in the car. Shut the door now. Stop. Just stay right here.
Okay.
Ma'am, if I have to tell you to stop doing shit again, you know what? Step out. Step out. Step out. Step out. Step out. Step out. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ma'am, turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
What am I doing?
Stop.
Hey, please.
Stop. Stop.
I'm
Stop.
so
Stop.
sorry.
Stop.
It's
Stop.
just the fact that there's no...
Ma'am, stay right there. Don't move.
There's no hair on the ground.
You're throwing shit out of the car.
I did not.
Okay, where'd that come from?
Good job.
4120. I have one detained. Can you have my back up? Step it up a little bit.
I'm so sorry. It's not that.
Ma'am, do you have anything on you? Just gonna poke me.
It's really
Stop.
not. It's really not.
Have a seat.
Please,
Have a seat.
kids.
Have a seat. Have a seat. Don't move. Put your legs in the car. Put your legs in the car. No, you're not sorry. No, you're not sorry.
No,
Put your legs in the car. Put your legs in the car. Put your legs in the car.
Okay.
You're this close from me taking you to jail. Just shut your mouth and let me do my job. Put your leg in the car.
May I talk? My friends live.
You don't have to hold the air. Clear the air. I got one detained in the car. I'm back dealing with the driver now. Code 5. Okay.
Okay. So, my friends live at the end. They were moving into the other house.
Okay.
And so they have plants, and we were going to put them on like a little, rolly thing. to move them to there, and so that was it. She's just my neighbor that lives in Grassy Creek.
Okay.
And I'm sorry, I don't have to.
Hold on one second. There we go. Ma'am, shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. All right. Here's my question for you.
Yes, sir.
You're operating a vehicle.
Right.
It's very clear to me that you have had way too much to drink today.
Okay.
Okay, you're slurring your speech. I can smell it on you. Your driving pattern. That being said, are you willing to do some standardized field sobriety exercises to dispel my belief you were under the influence?
Well, I can go ahead and be 100% that I'm under the influence, but
Okay.
I can go ahead and tell you that I live 2 streets. I mean, not 2 streets, but 2 blocks. Like,
What street are we on right now?
We're on 27th.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay.
My friends live at the end, and they're
Ma'am,
moving.
Okay,
and
you're not understanding my question here.
Right. Whatever you need me to do, I'll
Are you
do
willing
that
to
for you.
do field sobriety
Yes, sir.
exercises?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Hey, ma'am.
Claustrophobic, I'm sorry.
Okay, you're under arrest for obstruction and destruction of evidence. Okay, then.
I'm claustrophobic, please.
Okay. I'm good. Oh, Sarge, you help me lay this out real quick?
Absolutely. Oh, I can see it from here. Yeah.
While walking, keep your eyes on your feet at all times. Keep your arms down at your sides and count your steps out loud. Okay. Do not stop once you've already begun, okay? If you step off the line, step back on and continue counting, okay? You may begin when you're ready.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch.
Remember that turn that I showed you and the 9 steps back.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I just want to make sure that that's okay. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. All right, last thing I'm going to ask you to do, face me right here. Come,
Yes, sir.
Come here, face me. All right, put your feet together and your arms on your sides like this, okay?
Yes,
when
sir.
I tell you to begin, only when I tell you to begin, you're going to take your left or your right foot, whichever one, doesn't matter, whatever you choose. You're going to lift that foot approximately 6 inches off the ground. It's about the size of a Coke can, okay? While doing this, hold on, stop, like this. But don't start until I tell you to. While doing this, you're going to count out loud in the following manner. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop. If anytime you put that foot down, pick it right back up, continue counting where you left off. So if I was on 3, it's going to be 1004. Okay.
You ready?
Hold on. While doing this, keep your eye on your toe at all times. Keep your arms down at your side and count out loud. Do not stop once you've begun, okay? Okay, listen, like this. We're not standing like Karate Kid. We're standing like this, okay?
Right, yes.
All right?
Yes, sir.
You may begin. Arms down at your sides, okay?
Okay. I like right foot.
Whichever foot. I told you, your left or your right.
1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, I don't have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. Do me a favor, put your hands behind your back.
Yes, ma'am.
You're under arrest for driving under the influence. Do you understand? Okay. What's going to happen from this point forward, we're going to go to the station. I'm going to ask you for a lawful sample of your breath. If you do not provide your breath, your license will automatically be suspended for a period of 1 year.
Right.
Once you give that response, it will be read to you verbatim if you choose not to submit to a breath test. Do you understand?
Right. Well, you have to have a blood test.
I don't have to have anything. I have enough probable cause to arrest you right now.
Well, I understand.
Okay.
I understand. I'm not trying to be hard to get.
I got you. You see the shoe? You want to put your shoes back on for me?
Yes, sir, please.
Okay.
I mean, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
I understand.
Put your shoes on for me.
Well, that's not right.
Deputy Marino. Would he mind doing a BTO for me?
Yeah, we're taking this one in too?
Yeah, I'm taking her.
Okay, where are you from?
What's your question? What did you do wrong? What did you do wrong?
What did I do wrong?
What did you do wrong? Okay.
What did I
hold
do
on.
wrong?
From the get-go, from the moment you were stopped, you're not listening to what I'm telling you to do. You open the
listen
shut up.
to you.
Shut up. You want me to
Hey.
start? In the car.
Tell me shut up.
Shut up.
Go ahead.
I just did.
Put your hands.
Get in the car.
Put your
Get in the
hands.
car. In the car.
Go
Just have a
ahead.
seat. In the car.
Go
Jesus
ahead.
Christ.
I'm giving you a
Why?
lawful order. This is inside.
Go ahead. Why? Why?
This one's gonna be an issue.
Yeah, I know she is.
Just readjust. She just needs her cuffs
Literally has
readjusted.
been breaking on the brakes and shoving my face against the wall.
Sure. Right. Just like I raped you too, right?
All right.